For when it's gonna smash. Oh, big warrants today. Now my chair is sinking.
Recording in
I think I know how to
progress.
do it then. There we go. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Welcome. Happy
Good morning,
Friday.
Your Honor.
Of course it is. Welcome to Felony First Appearance Hearings. I am Judge Mindy GLAZER. I will be presiding today. The video for first appearance hearings has been played to all defendants. I need everyone to please stand up, raise your right hand, and be sworn in by our clerk.
Bienvenidos a la audiencia de primera comparecencia de delitos mayores. Soy la juez Biddy K. De pie y levante la mano derecha para prestar juramento.
Good morning, everybody. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So say I do.
Juran o afirman que la declaración que darán será la verdad, toda la verdad y únicamente la verdad. Por favor, díganlo, juro.
All right, thank you. Please be seated. Madam Interpreter, you need to be sworn in. Raise your right hand,
Yes,
please.
Your Honor. Yes.
Good morning. Do you swear that you will well and faithfully interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, the questions asked and the answers given to the best of your ability and that you have such ability? So say I do.
I do. Patricia Lafont, Certified Court Interpreter.
Thank you. Good morning. If there is anybody here for a case on Zoom, please type the defendant's name in the chat room.
Si hay alguien aquí para algún acusado, por favor, escriban el nombre del acusado en el chat si se encuentran por Zoom.
Let's begin. Can the attorneys announce, please state?
Good morning, Judge Christine Zarolbin on behalf of the state for out-of-state extraditions.
Good morning.
Nessa Eth on behalf of the state. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor. John Wilson, Assistant Public Defender.
Good morning. So we're going to start with the out-of-state warrants. Like yesterday, we have a nice big calendar, like every day here. Tedrick Lee is the first case. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant. It is from Georgia, the state of Georgia. The arrest warrant was issued April 17th of 2024. The charge is cruelty to children. There is no bond on this arrest warrant, and I need you to tell me if you want to waive or contest the extradition. Waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Georgia would have up to 30 days to pick you up from Broward. Is it Broward? Yeah, is it a hold or a warrant?
Warrant.
What? It's a warrant?
Yes,
Yep.
today also.
Thank you. So we'll deal with that now as well. You have a warrant from Broward County. So once you go to if you want to waive extradition, first you'll go to Broward County. You'll deal with that case. When that case is closed, Georgia would then have up to 30 days to pick you up.
Okay.
And the other choice is to contest extradition. That means you want to fight the warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just a piece of paper that says you are wanted in Georgia. A lawyer would then be appointed for you if you cannot afford one. Your lawyer would be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you'll be here at least 90 days if you want to contest extradition, and then you go to Broward. So what do you want to do, waive or contest?
I'm gonna waive, ma'am.
Smart choice, you get out of here quicker. I also have, so on the warrant, on the out-of-state warrant from Georgia, it's a waiver, no bond. The reset date will be 15 days from today, which will be September 8th. One second. So, sir, we're going to you also have a warrant from Broward County that was issued July 28th of 2025. It's no bond, and the charge is felony written threats to kill or do bodily injury.
That's
So
in
on this-
Broward, right?
The Broward warrant, I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Okay,
So
good.
Broward has up to 15 days to pick you up. They usually come once a week, and it's Friday today. You'll probably go sometime next week.
Okay.
The Georgia warrant will follow you there, and then when your Broward case is closed, Georgia will pick you up. Just make sure you tell the judge you got that warrant from Broward, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's
So,
reset both cases September 8th. Yes, sir?
so a public defender will be provided to me now for Broward?
No. When you
No?
get to Broward, you get a lawyer on that case if you can't
Okay.
afford one. I'm appointing Mr. Wilson from the public defender's office for you on the
Okay.
Broward warrants only on the warrant.
On the
paperwork.
Broward, okay, on the warrant, okay.
Thank you, sir. All right, thank you. Reset September 8th, both cases. Then next we have Rashawn Blair, another new case. No locals.
Coming up.
What's your name, sir? Sean Blair.
That's not is Mr. Rashawn Bear?
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Houston, Texas. The arrest warrant was issued June 21st of 2025. And the charge says, that's cute. The charge says his name. Let me look in the A form. It says you felony credit debit card abuse. You want to hand this over to the deputy? He can write it in with the correct charges. So anyway, there's no bond on this warrant from Texas that was issued June 21st. I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition or contest extradition. Waiver of extradition is the quickest way out of this jail. That means Texas would have up to 30 days to come and pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. The other choice is to contest extradition, which means you want to fight the arrest warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just a piece of paper that says you're wanted in Texas. A lawyer will then be appointed for you if you cannot afford one, and your lawyer will be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you'll be in our jail at least 90 days. So if you waive, it's the quickest way out. That's what most people do. If you want to contest, no problem. It's your choice. So, sir, those are your options. What do you want to do? Waive or contest extradition?
I'll waive it. I'll waive it.
That's a smart choice. Waiver, no bond. The reset date will be September 8th to see if he gets picked up by then. Please sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to be transported over to Texas. One second, let me see. Sorry, they're talking over at Metro West. Next, thank you. Next, we have Miguel Martin Caro.
Coming up, yeah.
Thank you.
You like Spanish, English? Your Honor,
Spanish, please. Good morning, sir. You were arrested on a warrant from the state of Georgia. The warrant was issued August 8th of 2025.
Buenos días, señor. Usted fue arrestado con orden de captura del estado de Georgia. La misma fue dictada el 8 de agosto del 2025.
The charge is violation of probation.
El cargo es incumplimiento de la probatoria.
There is no bond on this arrest warrant.
No hay fianza para esta orden de captura.
I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition or contest extradition.
Yo necesito que usted me diga si usted desea renunciar o disputar la extradición.
The waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Georgia would have up to 30 days to come and pick you up, and if they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released.
Bien, la renuncia a la extradición sería la manera más rápida de salir de la cárcel. El estado de Georgia tendría hasta 30 días para recogerlo. Si no lo recogen, usted saldría.
The other option is to contest extradition, which means you want to fight the arrest warrant and you'll be in our jail at least 90 days so that the state can get the paperwork together to send you to Georgia.
La otra opción sería disputar la extradición. Usted quedaría en nuestra cárcel por lo menos 90 días hasta que la fiscalía pueda obtener el papeleo para enviarlo a Georgia.
So those are your two options. What do you want to do? Waive or contest extradition?
Bien, esas son sus dos opciones. ¿Qué quiere hacer usted? ¿Renunciar o disputar la extradición?
No, esperar que yo ya venga y me recoja.
No, wait for them to come and pick me up.
You want to go the quicker way, that have them pick you up within 30 days, or do you want to fight the warrant?
¿Usted quiere elegir la manera más rápida, esperar a que ellos lo recojan en 30 días o quiere disputar la orden de captura?
No, en 30 días.
Okay.
No, 30 days.
Waiver, no bond. That's a smart choice, sir. It's a waiver, no bond. Reset date is September 8th to make sure you get picked up.
Bien, es una opción inteligente, señor.
One second.
Interstate case, so we might have to go through the PC hearing like we did the last couple times.
They're telling me it may be an interstate compact case. So why am I going through this whole thing to waiver contest if they have to do that?
I'm just getting an email. I haven't received
Oh.
it from, so I'm gonna verify that.
We have to see, it may have to go through the interstate compact and you may have to have a hearing with Georgia before you're picked up. We'll let you know, sir.
Bien, señor, me están diciendo que esto puede ser tratado a través de una audiencia con el estado de Georgia de manera intraestatal. Vamos a tener que ver si lo recogerían.
It's a violation of probation. He may have a pre-signed waiver. Tell them to come get him as quick as possible. Get him out of our jail.
So it's gonna remain as a week?
You want me to set it? It's a waiver. When do you want me to reset it? Leave it the 8th?
Is like a regular commission?
If anything else happens, we'll let you know. We'll bring you back in.
Si algo más sucede, le haremos saber, lo traeremos de vuelta.
Mr. Albin.
Judge, I think the issue might be, I'm looking at the calendar, perhaps what the detective is referring to is if this has to do with a transfer of
Interstate compact because he was being supervised here for his probation.
Right, no, but it's different from the interstate compact. It's the compact on, I forget what it's called, but yes. So that could be the issue. Okay, the detective will follow up, Judge.
Thank you.
I don't know.
So
what
let him know, we're on top of things. We want to try and get you out of here as quick as possible. It's reset September 8th.
Bien, señor, estamos pendientes de todas las cosas. Trataremos de sacarlo de aquí lo antes posible. La audiencia es el 8 de septiembre.
Have a nice day, sir.
Tenga usted un buen día, señor.
Detective, we have contacts over at the compact administrators if they need to come before the judge.
No, they don't usually come before me.
Okay.
They do it outside. Next we have is Adrian Hernandez Mendez. He's at Metro West on 1. Good morning.
Morning.
Ready to go.
Are his locals closed?
No, Your Honor, the traffic is set for 9-3. And set
Do
for
you speak
report 9.
English?
¿Habla inglés, señor?
No.
No, he needs Spanish.
Yes, ma'am. La
So it's
señora
tr-
juez ha
Your traffic
preguntado.
case is set September 3rd.
Su caso de tránsito está fijado para el 3 de septiembre.
So we'll reset this case September 4th to see if you've closed out your traffic case.
Vamos a reprogramar para el 4 de septiembre para ver si usted ha cerrado su caso de tránsito.
All right. Thank you.
Yo lo quiero cerrar, no sé.
But I want to close it. I don't know.
Talk to the lawyer, if the public defender office gets set your traffic cases down, sets them sooner to be closed, then they'll bring you back here the day after it's closed.
Hable con su defensor público si el abogado puede fijar su caso más rápido para que se cierre el día 3. Usted regresará aquí el día siguiente, el
Renee,
4.
You want to try and bring this, see if Correa will set it? Corrections, what are his tickets for? Do you know?
WLS knowingly, DWLS, another DWLS knowingly, and expired driver's license more than 6 months.
I can try getting it set down next week on Monday or Tuesday. Why don't I set his case Wednesday and see if we get a quicker response?
Judge, do you want me to assist as well and reach out to Leonard Thompson? I can shoot him a text with the case numbers.
It's all right. Whatever you like. We're gonna bring it to Judge Correa. She's very
Okay.
accommodating to set cases down soon.
Perfect.
sooner. So let me set this case. I don't know if we'll see a judge Monday or Tuesday. You want me to try for Tuesday, or is that good? What do you think? Nobody knows. I'm talking to myself. Set it Wednesday for sure, the 27th,
Se le
August
reprograma,
27th.
se le reprograma su caso para el 27 de agosto, señor, de tránsito.
27, pero señorita, yo llevo 2 semanas tratando de contactar con mi abogada y esa mujer no me responde. Yo quiero cerrar mi caso aquí ya.
But miss, I've been trying to contact my female attorney for 2 weeks and that woman doesn't respond to me. I want to close my case
Oh,
now.
Sir,
yeah,
my
yeah.
bailiff's bringing the paperwork to the judge to get it set before her either Monday or Tuesday, okay?
Mi alguacil le va a llevar el papeleo al juez para que se fije la audiencia en su caso para el lunes o martes. ¿Está bien?
Lunes o martes de la semana que viene.
Monday or Tuesday of next week?
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna
Sí.
have
Por
you brought
favor.
there and I'll see you Wednesday to see if you closed it out.
Bien, yo voy a pedir que lo lleven allí y luego lo veré el miércoles para ver si usted lo pudo cerrar.
So we're resetting his case
Gracias.
August 27th here.
Así que reprogramamos aquí en esta audiencia para el 27 de agosto.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Gracias.
Here, I underlined them in pink for them to see. Anyway, next we have is Keziah Hill. Mr. Hill there?
He refused court, Your Honor.
Mr. Hill, what's going on, Mr. Hill?
That's, those are set for September 15th, Your Honor.
So resets, what, September 16th? Next, we have John McQueen. Hi, Mr. McQueen, are you here?
Hi.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
He has, what, 3 cases? 2, he has, his locals are set October 23rd. We'll reset your cases October 24th to see if you closed out your Miami case, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I waived extradition 15 months ago, and no one has came.
They're not gonna come get you till your Miami cases are all closed. You're held no bond. On the warrant is no bond. And so you have to close out all of your Miami cases before you can be
No.
sent over to, what is that, Kentucky?
The two holds I have do have bonds. I've checked on
You have
that.
to, you have to be in Kentucky to post the bond, Indiana and Kentucky. So you, once you're physically present in those states, they'll let you post the bond, but you got to close your Miami case out first.
The statute I read says they have 4 months to come get me maximum. That, I don't know what this.
No,
I've been
that's
here
if
15.
if you contest extradition, they have up to 90 days to get the paperwork to send you there. If you waive, they have 15 days, up to 30 days to pick you up once your local cases are all closed. So once everything in the state of Florida is closed, then you go there. Nothing I can do, sir. Believe me, I hope you close your local case out quick. The reset
Yeah.
date's October 24th.
That's when I go to court.
So you're gonna see a judge on October 24th. I strongly urge you to contact your lawyer and maybe they can get it set sooner, maybe if you take a plea. I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Reset 1024, both cases. Then we have Luis Pineda Feliz.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Metro West 4. Your Miami case is set September 8th. We're going to reset this case September 9th to see if you've closed out your Miami case. Have a good day. Thank you. Then we have Juan Restano. Mr. Restano is at Metro West 5. Why is he here today?
You look like his locals are closed, John.
His locals are closed. Good.
Yeah.
Good news. So we're going to reset his case in 15 days for pickup. That's
I have
for
a question.
Texas.
I
Yes,
already
sir.
signed that paper we have to sign to get extradited.
Right. They're going to pick, now that your Miami case is closed, we're going to start the extradition. We're going to set it in 15 days for September 8th to see if you get picked up. The most they can hold you is 30 days. And if they don't
Do I
pick you
have
up
to
within 30
re-sign that
days,
paper or no?
no, sir. They don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. All right?
But that paper has the date for the 15 when I signed it.
It's fine. You waived extradition. You're good. You're all good. So anyway, it's locals are closed, reset September 8th to see if he gets picked up by Texas. They're gonna hopefully come anytime between now and September 8th. Have a good day. Thank you, Mr. Albin. Good
Thank
luck
you,
to you.
Judge. Have a
Have a
great
good
day.
day. Now we have in-state warrants, Vivian Amaya Galdamez.
She has a hold for immigration.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Do you speak English?
Spanish, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you were arrested on a warrant from Monroe County, Florida. The warrant was issued on September 14th of 2021.
Bien, señora, usted fue arrestada con orden de captura del condado de Monroe. La misma fue expedida en septiembre del 2021.
The charge is for violation of probation.
El cargo es por incumplimiento de la probatoria.
Your bond is $500.
La fianza es de $500.
So if you're able to post a $500 bond, you can do so at the jail you're located at.
Si usted puede pagar los $500 de fianza, lo puede hacer en la cárcel en la cual está ubicada.
If you don't have any money for a bond, you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Monroe County to pick you up.
Si usted no tiene dinero para pagar la fianza, tendrá que esperar hasta 15 días para que el condado Monroe la venga a recoger.
You also have an immigration hold, so that's it. The reset date is September 8th to make sure you either posted a bond or were transported to Monroe County.
Bien, usted también tiene un auto de detención por parte de inmigración. Esto sería todo. Su caso se reprograma para el 8 de septiembre para ver si la recogieron del condado Monroe o usted salió bajo fianza.
Have a nice day.
Tenga usted un buen día.
Next we have is Javier Molaya Vallenila.
Coming up, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Do you speak English?
No. Okay.
Mr. Spanish. You were arrested on a warrant from Orange County, Florida. The warrant was issued August 18th of 2025.
Bien, usted fue arrestado con orden de captura del condado Orange, Florida. La misma fue dictada el 18 de agosto del 2025.
The charge is grand theft in the 3rd degree. Your bond is $500.
El cargo es hurto en mayor cuantía, tercer grado. La fianza es de $500.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you to represent you on the warrant. You can call him with any questions.
Le voy a designar al defensor público para que lo represente sobre la orden de captura. Usted podrá llamarlo con cualquier pregunta.
Also, you're ordered to have no contact with the victim or witnesses from this grand theft and do not return to the scene of the grand theft.
También se le ordena que no tenga contacto alguno con la víctima o testigos de este hurto en mayor cuantía. Tampoco puede regresar al lugar de los hechos del hurto mayor.
Your case is reset here September 8th to make sure you posted a $500 bond or were transported to Orange County. Have a nice day.
Su caso se le reprograma aquí para el 8 de septiembre para asegurarnos que usted ha sido transportado al condado Orange o ha pagado la fianza de $500. Buen día.
All right, next we have William Smith. Good morning, Mr. Smith. You have an arrest warrant from Monroe County, Florida. The warrant was issued September 18th of 2024. The charge is for failure to appear for a non-moving traffic violation. It's driving with a suspended license. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. You have a bond and it's $10,000. If you're able to post that bond, please do so at the TGK jail where you're located. If you don't have money for a bond, you'll have to wait up to 15 days for Monroe County to pick you up. The reset date is September 8th. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day.
Thank you. Next is Raul Forrester. Mr. Forrester there at TGK.
Yeah.
Come on down. You owe child
Forrester.
support. Mr. Forrester, you have a writ of bodily attachment from Broward County. It was issued June 11th of 2025, so you owe child support. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. The cash purge amount is $538. If you're able to pay $538 in cash, do so at the TGK jail you are located at. It's the quickest way out of the jail. If you don't have any money to pay your cash purge, you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to come pick you up. The reset date here is September 8th to see if you either paid your cash purge or were transported to Broward County. Have a good day. Joanne or Aveen, Mr. Aveen here?
Coming up here.
I don't know if he needs a Spanish interpreter or Portuguese. I don't know.
That's better. Yes, Your Honor, Spanish.
Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. It was issued August 1st of 2025.
Buenos días, señor. Tiene orden de captura del condado Broward. La misma fue dictada el 1 de agosto del 2025.
I will appoint the public defender's office to represent you on the warrant.
Le designo a la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente sobre la orden de captura.
Your bond is $600.
Su fianza es $600.
Yeah, it's for operating without a valid license and no vehicle registration.
Es por conducir sin licencia válida y no tener la matrícula del vehículo.
So the total bond is $600, and if you're able to post that bond, do so at the jail you're located at.
La fianza total es de $600. Si puede pagar la fianza, hágalo en la cárcel donde está ubicado.
If you do not have any money to post the bond, you will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up.
Si no tiene ningún dinero para pagar la fianza, tendrá que esperar hasta 15 días para que Broward lo venga a recoger.
So the reset date here is September 8th to make sure you either posted your $600 bond or were transported to Broward County.
Así que la fecha de reprogramación aquí es para el 8 de septiembre para asegurarnos que usted pagó la fianza de $600 o fue reclamado por el condado Broward.
Have a nice day.
Que tenga usted un buen día.
Next case is Vasco Holder.
Coming up.
Good morning, Mr. Holder. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. It was issued on August 21st of 2025, not in custody capias for burglary to a conveyance. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Do you have any money to post the bond?
Judge, I think Broward already agreed to one, right, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, $2,500, Your Honor.
All right, $2,500 bond. So if you're able to post a $2,500 bond, please do so at the jail you're located at. If you don't have any money for a bond, you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date here is September 8th to make sure you either posted a bond or were transported to
Judge,
Broward.
it's also a stay away order from the Seminole Casino.
And also stay away from the Seminole Casino. Is your address 1354 Northwest 208th Street, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, stay away from the Seminole Hard Rock Casino. Okay. All right, thank you. Reset 9/8, $2,500 bond. Mr. Wilson, I need that order.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll submit it after court.
Okay. Thomas Todd?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Mr. Todd. He's at Metro West 6. You have an arrest warrant from Monroe County, Florida for violation of probation. The warrant was issued June 16th of 2025. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Unfortunately, there is no bond. You will have to wait up to 15 days for Monroe County to pick you up. The reset date here is September 8th to make sure you get picked up. Have a nice day. Next is Novel Alvarez Reyes on Zoom, Metro West 7. Do you speak English, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you got two warrants. One's from Lee County, issued January 17th of 2025. The charge is for violation of probation. And the other warrant is from Lee County from April 21st, 2025 for violation of probation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you for both cases. Unfortunately, there's no bond and you will have to wait up to 15 days for Lee County to pick you up. The reset date here is September 8th to make sure you are transported there. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jose Rodriguez at Metro West 2. Good morning, sir.
Good
Do you
morning,
speak
miss.
English?
Yeah.
Sir, all right, so you got a warrant from Broward County. It was issued August 19th of 2025 for violation of probation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Unfortunately, there is no bond and you will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward to pick you up. The reset date here is September 8th to make sure you are transported.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
The 15 days didn't start counting since the last time I came to the court.
What happened? Was he here before?
I've been here already. I came this week and then last week.
No, it was a hold. They converted to a warrant. No, it's starting now, but they come, Broward comes once a week. You shouldn't have to wait that long. Is it
Do you know
Broward?
what day
Wait,
they
where
come?
is it? I'm sorry. Looking at the wrong paper. Give me a sec. It's from, yeah, it's from Broward. You shouldn't have to wait that long. That you should, if you don't go this week, you'll go next week. Okay. Thank you. Next case we have is Joel Sanudo. I promoted you a bunch of times. What's going on there? Where's Mr. Sanudo?
She wanna know where I'm at. Oh, I'm right here, ma'am.
I know I can't see you. They didn't, there you are. Good morning, sir. Do you speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you have an arrest warrant. Good morning. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County that was issued July 14th of 2025. You missed court for petty theft. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So it's unfortunately no bond on the warrant. You're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date is September 8th to make sure you are transported. Have a good day.
Ms. GLAZER, excuse me. Ms. GLAZER, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir, of course.
September 8th, usually they'll come get me, but September 8th, they don't come get me, I get released.
No, I said in another 15 days. They'll pick you up before then. Broward usually comes once a week. Don't worry about it.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day. What about Maurice Stubbs? Is he there at Metro West or pretrial?
He's there at pretrial.
Hey, Mr. Stubbs, can you hear me?
Yeah, John, I hear you.
I don't see you, but I hear you. Anyway, sir, you got arrested on a warrant from Broward County that was issued August 21st, which was yesterday.
Yeah.
It's for violation of probation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Unfortunately, there's no bond on the warrant, and you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date is, September 8th to make sure you are transported. They usually come once a week, so you shouldn't have to wait that long. Have a nice day. Thank you.
You too.
All right, now I'm calling cases out of turn. We have on page 7, Rainford Smith out of turn for corrections. Line them up, corrections, please. Hi, Miss Corey. Good morning.
My name is Rebecca Corey, Assistant Public Defender. Happy Friday.
It's a happy Friday.
Yeah, no, he has a fugitive hold from Leon County for a total bond of $1,500 and child support for $1,500.
And what was the last one?
Child support, $1,500.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. It's from July 17th. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So this is the large boxes of cigarettes were missing from the victim's office, and they had surveillance footage. It showed 4 subjects enter during the overnight and remove the cigarette boxes. And they identified Mr. Smith as one of the people who did that. So there's probable cause for burglary to the unoccupied structure and grand theft. You didn't give me a stay away order?
I think I did.
I don't have it. If you did, stay away. What is this stay away? Isn't it, what's the name?
On the, I believe it's a Marathon gas
Oh,
station.
stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there. So I think it's an unoccupied structure for count 1. That bond is $2,500. Sec. On count 2, that's probable cause for grand theft, $2,500 bond. You have a writ of bodily attachment and something else, I think, as well. Have a nice day. Next we have is Robert Carbalosa, page 15. There, oh, it's you here. You're helping today. Is Mr. Carbalosa there? Let's bring him in.
Added charge.
Good morning, Mr. Carbalosa. Do you speak English?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for grand theft of a vehicle. It's from March 12th of 2025. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I need a moment to review. I guess somebody recognized you from the video. Somebody who you went to school with recognized you from the video and reported it. I'm just trying to see where he's identified as the person who committed
identified,
this.
Judge.
Oh, it's there. It says alias. It's there. I'm reading, looking for his alias, and it was there. There's probable cause for the charge of grand theft, $2,500 bond. Have a good day. Oh, it's slow today. Next we have is Jamel Anderson Cash, page 16. Good morning, Mr. Anderson Cash. You were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge.
Victim's name, Edelson Lopez Valencia.
I'll set his bond at $1,500. Have a good day. Can I call out a turn? Resentencing, there's a detective here. Page 11. Is there a detective? Raise your hand so I can promote you. If not, I'm not calling the case if the officers, detective doesn't raise their hand. I don't have time to mess about. I got a big calendar.
Your Honor, he needs a Persian interpreter.
A what interpreter? Persian? Oh, okay. We're gonna be passing the case for a Persian interpreter. So hold off. Can I have my calendar, please?
I thought he would copy of the calendar.
It's right there. How about the arrest affidavits? What do you think? Do you see any here?
I'm sorry. I thought there was more out of turns.
Got a huge calendar today. Now we have your Gellis Davalle Betancourt. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna pass Mr. Razé. So let's start with page 1, your Gellis Davalle Betancourt Perez.
Bond out.
Bond it out.
Okay, that's a good way to start. Bond out. Is somebody gonna call a Persian interpreter?
I called you.
Ooh, I wrote in the wrong one.
I called the interpreter's office.
Thank you. 1 minute. Next we have is Miriam Shevets. Hello, ma'am. You were arrested for 2 counts of child neglect. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry.
Yeah, give me 1 moment.
Okay. Thank you. All right, bye. They're coming to fix my washing machine today. My son used the washing machine today. Imagine the mess in my apartment. Anyway, let me review this 1 second, please. So this is from, yes, August 21st, yesterday.
Obviously a family in need of some services.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there's probable cause for child neglect. Ma'am, I'm going to enter I guess, a modified stay away order from the 2 children whose initials are NS and DS. You're allowed to have only supervised contact with these children, and you are prohibited from being physically threatening or violent towards them in any manner whatsoever. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the modified stay away order? Oh, one other thing, in the event there's an open case in dependency court or family court arising from the same set of facts and events as this case, then any and all orders entered in family or court or dependency court regarding your contact, visitation, and custody shall supersede or replace this court's order. Do you understand, ma'am? I can't hear.
Yes.
Okay.
As a condition of release, states requesting a passport surrender, maybe a week, maybe next week. So after she's released.
Why?
Because she talked about taking the kids to Israel, and I want to make sure she doesn't leave the country.
Oh, they have extradition with them.
But
Yeah,
still, I think within a week.
She can't go with the children without having the father's permission anyway.
Correct. And anyway, you know what a ticket to Israel costs now? She can't have, she has rotting food in her house. You think she can afford a ticket to Israel? It's like over $1,000. Anyway, can you afford to post the bond, ma'am?
Judge, would you offer, or would you do pretrial services? Judge?
Pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a nice day.
2 counts.
Oh, I'm sorry, for 2,500 count 1 and $2,500 count 2. Next, we have LaQuanda Burns, page 1.
Yes, a probation warrant, no bond.
Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for possession of cocaine and resisting an officer without violence. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charges. Unfortunately, you have the hold. You'll see Judge Young on Monday for F-20 8510. So count 1, possession of cocaine will be $1,000. Count 2, resisting without is $500. Have a good day. Next, we have Cassandra Olivero, get it right. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for battery on a person age 65 or older. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Did you write, so it's from March 17th. You still living with grandma?
Yes, Judge. If we can, can I give you my dad's number? Judge, can we pass it to see if we can get grandma on the Zoom?
Yeah, I don't see an age for grandma
It's not.
either.
I didn't see it either, Judge.
What?
I didn't see it either.
Okay, so it's only PC for what, battery? Next we have is Destiny Holmes. We lost Miss Cora. Are you Miss Holmes?
Yes, Judge.
Ma'am, you were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. It's from July 16th. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. This is the
Judge,
same.
unlike the co-defendants, she doesn't have any priors, so maybe a program for this defendant.
Okay. How long have you been living here in Miami, ma'am?
About a year.
Okay. What month did you move here?
Just around December. I'd be back and forth. I'm not
Do you
staying
live
up.
here in Miami or where do you live?
I originally live in Tallahassee, but I'd be back and forth. My mom stays here, but I'm in school.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna order that you stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500, count 1, 2,500, count 2. Have a good day. Count 1 is an unoccupied structure, just so we're clear.
The gas station was occupied, but not the room.
What?
The gas station was occupied, but not the room that they stole.
The room, that's why. Next is Keandra Bellamy, page 2. What is it, my calendar? I know you had it here. It's you. I have the calendar here. Which one did I pass? I gave you one I passed?
We passed all of them.
Oh, I passed that one. I'm sorry. Put it over here. Where's the paper, the printout? Everything's here. Good. Here's the 2 I passed. So I did 2 together. Good morning, Miss Bellamy. You were arrested for possession with intent to sell cocaine. No, possession with intent to sell cocaine within 1,000 feet of a church or convenience store, sale of cocaine, and possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So let me review for probable cause.
State's requesting the owner split the highest of the bonds.
It was a search warrant. There's probable cause. Count 1 will be, 1 second, is it mentioned the, yeah, it does.
Talk about the 1,000 feet.
It does. Count 1, possession with intent to sell cocaine is $10,000. Count 2, sale of cocaine, $2,500. Count 3, possession of cocaine, $2,500. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Judge, I'm sorry, Miss Count 1, what was it?
It's $10,000. It's within 1,000 feet. It's an F1. I should have a lot of priors. 1 second.
Came in on a bench warrant.
Yeah, but I can lower it a little. I'll set count 1 at $7,500, okay? Or I can do 5. Count 1 will be $5,000. 2 and 3 are 2,500 each. There you go. 10,000 total. Good luck to you, man. Next case is Ruby Knight, page 2. Somebody wants to know how to go to 27. Well, you can take the escalator, but if you're looking on Zoom, you got to go on the 11th Judicial Circuit website and you can log in there. I don't know what to tell you otherwise. Hi, Miss Knight. You were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. This is it's July 17th, the cigarette theft.
Right, so
case.
I'm looking at the DOC website. It says that she's on probation that's been suspended from Broward County, and that's related to multiple counts of theft. Her address in the DOC website is also listed as Tallahassee.
Right. Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there, ma'am. So I'm setting a bond. Count 1, there's probable cause for burglary to an unoccupied structure, $2,500 bond. Count 2, grand theft is $2,500. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Next we have is Lamara Frazier.
If the victim is present and wants to talk to the judge, can you please raise your hand on Zoom?
Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for a case from yesterday, aggravated battery and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So I need a moment to review for probable cause. In a felony battery, I don't think she intended to chip
Felony
his
battery's
tooth.
okay, Judge.
Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Daniel Lorena, the father of your children, and I guess his new lady friend, Ladanis Alvarez. No contact with, oh, he's here now, so okay. No contact, let me hear what he has to say. Sir, please unmute, put on your video. Sir, please unmute and put on your video. If you wish to be heard, you have to unmute and put on your video. Otherwise, I'm going to read the stay away order.
If
He's
you're
not
having issues,
responding.
type in the chat.
What?
If you're having issues, type in the chat.
Sir, ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victims, Daniel, Lorena, and Ladanis Alvarez. No contact with the alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victims through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. And also, third-party contact is permitted for exchange of the children for time sharing. So unless there's you're married to him or no? Sir, you gotta accept a promotion, and I could hit.
He wrote in the chat that he wants to know, I guess, where the kids are.
This is not family court. This is criminal court. I don't know where your children are. Third-party contact is permitted for exchange of the children for time sharing. Does she have any priors?
She's talking, we can't hear what she's saying. The only priors I saw were related to driving and.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, where are the children? Are they with your family?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry about
with-
that. I was trying to
They're
activate the
with
microphone.
family, Judge.
They're with the family, so I'm allowing third-party contact for exchange of children. Any other issues, you need to go to family court.
Yeah,
And
we're
if
in the
it-
process of that. It has to be parental. It has to be like a set schedule because two of my kids have autism and he can't pick them up one day a month and then just drop them off. It's psychologically messing them up.
You
So,
know what?
we
It takes
can't
two
share-
parents to get along, and fighting
No,
in
he
front of the
won't ever.
kids doesn't help. Okay? Give him a chance and let him participate too. You can do the exchange through your mom or whoever you want, but that has to be done through family court.
Good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, sir. I ordered her to stay away from you enough. Anything else you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. So you're permitting the third party contact about the children, but they're not allowing me any contact to my children. I tried
So go to
get-
family court. You have to go
Okay.
to family court. There's a self-help office at the Lawson E. Thomas Courthouse Center on the 24th floor. They have a self-help office where you can get the paperwork. You can, are you married to her or no?
No, thank
You'd
you.
have to file a petition to determine paternity and ask a family court judge to give you a parenting plan and time-sharing schedule.
Yeah,
So-
that was the situation, actually. That's the reason everything went to hell, because I actually offered her
So
to
listen, I don't have time to discuss the
Okay, no
family
problem.
issues. Just if you can either hire a private lawyer or you can go over to family court and the 24th floor, they'll sell you the package you can fill out so that you can file the paperwork with the court. And even if you can't afford it, they'll reduce the fee. And the clerk's office would also, if you do an affidavit of indigency, if you can't afford the filing fee, it's like $405, I think, or 401. If you can't afford the filing fee, they'll waive it. So there's nothing stopping you from going to family court to see your children, okay? And
Okay,
get
thank you.
legal time sharing. That way there'll be no issues at all.
Okay, thank you.
Anyway, thank you. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All
My mouth, I can't really feel the top of my mouth, but
I'm
yeah,
sorry
that
to hear
was
that.
purposely. She actually had something in her hand when she did that, so
All right.
I'm
So-
sorry about the bother, Your Honor.
No worries. I was gonna give her a pretrial so she doesn't have to pay a bond. I don't, unless you want, I don't know, are you objecting to
I
pretrial
would
state?
ask for a pretrial, Judge. It looks like
Yeah,
they go
I
to family
objected
court
and
to resolve
I would like a stay away
litigation.
order, please.
I just did the stay away order. I read it. She's not allowed to go near
It's
you or your
violence of the
girlfriend.
states. Sir, when she punched you, were you in the car or were you out of the car?
I was out of the vehicle trying to avoid her hitting my girlfriend.
Pretrial services alternate bond, $1,000. I mean, 5,000 count one, 1,000 count two.
It's overstates objection.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you for coming in, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's a co-parenting is very important, and if you're not gonna let him see the child, the judge is gonna give him makeup time sharing. All right, sir, you can always ask that family court judge for makeup time sharing if she doesn't let you see your children.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, we have Dezane Walker, page 3.
Bond it out, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you.
Bond it out also.
Say it again. What'd you bond out for Walker? Who else bonds it out?
Compton.
Thank you. Apollonia Crumpton is also a bond out. Tasha Posse.
Added charge.
We're on page 3. Hi, Miss Posse. You were arrested for grand theft. It's from July 15th of 2025. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge. She and her friend stole over $2,700 of merchandise, 61 units. You are ordered to stay away from the Burlington store at 850 Ives Dairy Road in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there. Your bond is $2,500.
Judge,
Have a
can you
good
give
day.
me 1 moment to look something up real fast?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was the bond?
$2,500. Oh, we have after that, Miss Chloe Castellanos is back. Miss Corey?
Judge, she's been in custody here since July. 2nd.
But this was just added on, the arrest date is yesterday.
Well, I think the date of
It
this.
says
is
it happened July 15th.
So
Oh.
how could it happen
Oh,
July?
I got you, Ms.
15th
Court, I
if
got
She's
you. I
been here
understand.
unless she has
I understand.
abilities.
I mean. If
Yeah,
this
they may have
is
gotten the
Fugitive
date
hold
wrong.
from Broward, no bond.
Says
Hold on.
during my visit, they witnessed following the theft crime committed July 15th via closed circuit TV. So that would be a physical impossibility for Miss.
It would be.
In a store when she's here in custody, Judge.
I think that's when they went and saw the video,
Let me-
but you're right, they made a mistake. You want to
Check out the
reprint?
co-defendant date form. Hold on, let me see if that says the same date. John wants to pass it, I don't know. It's July 15, let me see. Judge, you want to reset it for PCH?
Yeah, reset for PCH.
And corrections, can you confirm that the defendant wasn't on house arrest, that she's been in custody? The date she was put in, placed in custody?
According to the card, she's been in custody since July 2nd.
And she was never on house arrest, she was in jail?
According to the card, no.
Okay, I'll check it out, Judge.
Okay, so reset it in the afternoon?
Sure.
All right, next we have Chloe Castellanos.
Added charge.
Good morning, ma'am. You have another case where you're charged with grand theft, organized scheme to defraud, conspiracy for scheme to defraud a financial institution, 2 counts of fraudulent use of personal identification, unlawful use of a communications device. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So this is from May 15th, and she did an unauthorized transfer of funds from the victim's HELOC account. And then she made 2 withdrawals, so that's what's going on here. That's from, I forgot what bank it said. Anyway, I'll set a bond as follows. Count 1, grand theft is $2,500. Count 2, organized scheme to defraud is $2,500. Count 3, it's not conspiracy, it's probable cause for defrauding a financial institution. Count 3, I'll set it $1,000. Count 4, count 4 and 5, fraudulent use of personal identification. I'll set count 4 at $2,500. Count 5 is $2,500, and count 6, unlawful use of a communications device, is $2,500, and that's plus the Nebbia requirement. Have a nice day. Next, we have Alice Johnson. Page 4.
She's on felony bond.
Hold for F-25, 10907. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charge. You are ordered to stay away from Darren Thompson, the alleged victim. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means, and you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail. You must be accompanied by a police officer so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools. If you go to the victim's home without the police or if you stay there, you will be arrested. Do you understand the stay away order, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, so thank you. Your bond is $5,000. You do have a hold to see the judge on Monday for case F25-10907 since you're out on felony bond. So you may want to wait until Monday to post the bond, see if the judge will permit it. Have a good day. Next, we have Luisa Perkach on page 5.
Judge, she's gonna need a French interpreter.
So let's pass.
We already called you.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm passing it for a French interpreter. Also, we don't have the child's name on the arrest affidavit. So next then is Jean Honors Vasquez.
He has a hold for immigration.
You have his case when I'm done with the ladies. When I'm done with the ladies, I'll call your case, Mr. Fox. Corrections, after the ladies, I'm gonna call up Jason Engels on page 8. Oh, am I done with the ladies? I don't know. Yes, good. You're next. Good morning, sir. Do you speak English?
Spanish, please.
Sir, you were arrested for a case, you're arrested pursuant to an arrest warrant charging you with armed occupied burglary with a battery.
Bien, señor, usted fue arrestado con orden de captura, acusándolo de allanamiento a mano armada junto con lesiones personales, agresión corporal.
Also armed kidnapping.
También secuestro a mano armada.
4 counts of armed kidnapping.
4 acusaciones de secuestro a mano armada.
And 3 counts of armed robbery.
Y 3 acusaciones de robo a mano armada.
So I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Así que le designo a la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente.
Also you have an immigration hold.
También tiene usted un auto de detención por parte de inmigración.
This is a case from March 13th of 2025 where it is alleged you committed an armed home invasion robbery.
Bien, este es un caso que data del 13 de marzo del 2025 y se alega que usted cometió en ese entonces un asalto domiciliario.
So public defender's office is appointed for you. Anything you wish to say, Miss Corey?
Así que se le nombra a la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente.
No, Judge, not this time.
Thank you. I'm finding probable cause for the charges and you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victims.
Estoy encontrando motivo fundado para los cargos y se le ordena que se mantenga alejado de las presuntas víctimas.
That is York Valdez and Yorel Miss Sanchez.
York Valdez y Lloréis Miss Sánchez.
No contact with the alleged victims either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Prohibido el contacto directo, indirecto, en persona, por escrito, por teléfono o a través de terceras personas.
No contact with the victims through social media or other electronic means.
Prohibido el contacto a través de redes sociales o cualquier otro dispositivo electrónico con las presuntas víctimas.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school and place of employment at all times.
Y usted debe mantenerse a un mínimo de 500 pies de distancia de las víctimas, de su residencia, centro de estudios y de trabajo y en todo momento.
Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
¿Entiende las condiciones de la orden de alejamiento, señor? No lo escucho.
Sí, sí, señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so he has 9 counts in total. Count 9 is actually conspiracy to commit armed burglary, which is the only case which I think he's entitled to a bond.
Bien, él tiene 9 acusaciones en total. La acusación número 9 es conspiración para cometer el allanamiento a mano armada, que creo que es la única acusación que tiene derecho a fianza.
So counts 1 through 8, the armed burglary, the armed kidnapping, the armed robbery charges. I'm going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing and hold you with no bond on each of those counts.
Bien, en los cargos del 1 al 8, el robo a mano armada, el secuestro a mano armada, el allanamiento a mano armada. Voy a concederle a la fiscalía el pedimento de prisión preventiva y lo voy a detener en la cárcel sin derecho a fianza.
And then count 9, the conspiracy to commit the armed burglary will be $7,500.
Y luego la acusación número 9, la conspiración para cometer el allanamiento a mano armada. I'm sorry, Your Honor, did you say $7,500?
$7,500, yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much. $7,500 de fianza.
So you'll see a judge on Monday. That judge will set a final hearing of the state's motion for pretrial detention.
Bien, usted verá a un juez el día lunes. Ese juez va a fijar una audiencia definitiva sobre el pedimento de la Fiscalía de prisión preventiva.
Right, have a nice day.
Bien, que tenga usted un buen día.
Right, next I have Jason Engels.
Good morning, Judge Alex Fox on this one. Sorry.
It seems to work better.
Good morning, Judge
Good
Alex
morning.
Fox on behalf of Jason Engels, who's present in custody.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for a case from November 17th of 2024. It's some serious charges. Your attorney, Mr. Fox, is here. Good morning. Anything you want to say, sir, Mr.
Judge, I don't know if you've had a chance to review.
Yvette?
Yeah, I would just point to the second, maybe the second sentence where she says she believes she was heavily intoxicated. She believes that she doesn't know if she gave consent. Again, I'm not necessarily making a probable cause argument here, but
She says she was intoxicated, didn't give consents, and his seminal, is that, how do I say this?
Raised up the DNA hit.
yes.
There's probable cause for the charge. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim whose initials are HS. No contact with the victim, alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means, and stay at least 500 feet away from the victim or home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? I understand. She was intoxicated and I guess she didn't give, or inebriated, didn't give consent. You may have a different argument at the time of trial. That being said, he has no priors.
He has no prior address. He's lived here since he was born in 2000. He runs a business. He has 17 employees. He's here. His mother, Melvia Alver, is here. They live together. He has ties to the community. He has no priors. When the detective reached out to him to give him the DNA sample, we went down, gave the DNA sample. When the detective reached out to me 2 days ago and said he needed him to turn himself in, we arranged the surrender.
So you want a bond, $5,000 state? Given the circumstances, $5,000 bond. Sir, you have a good attorney. Listen to what Mr. Fox tells you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, if we can go back to the female that we passed, Ms. Olivero, we have her grandma here.
Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Olivero on page 1.
They're joining now.
Will the grandmother need the interpreter?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. My luck, yeah.
She speaks English. How you
Oh,
doing,
she
Judge?
does?
No,
Really?
I guess
she is
not.
gonna need the interpreter.
Okay, good morning. Good morning. Is this Miss Eulogia Olivero?
Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Es usted la señora Yulosia Olivera?
Sí.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand to be sworn.
Por favor, levante su mano derecha para prestar juramento.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are going to give in this proceeding will be the truth? If so, state I do.
¿Jura o afirma que la declaración que usted dará en este proceso será la verdad? De ser así, dígalo juro.
Lo juro.
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down.
Gracias, puede bajar su mano.
What is your name, please?
¿Cuál es su nombre, por favor?
Eulogia Olivero.
Eulogia Olivero.
All right, ma'am, are you afraid of your granddaughter, Cassandra?
Señora, ¿le tiene usted temor, miedo a su nieta Cassandra?
No.
No.
Do you want the court to order Miss Olivero, your granddaughter Cassandra, to stay away from you?
¿Quiere usted que su señoría le ordene a su nieta Cassandra que se mantenga alejada de usted?
No.
No.
Okay, thank you. Any
Bien,
questions,
gracias.
State?
Just a quick question, ma'am. How old are you?
Una pregunta rápida, señora. ¿Qué edad tiene usted?
70.
70.
70.
70.
I would have thought you were not a day over 39.
Yo hubiese
Qué
pensado que
linda.
usted no tenía más de 39.
So
Pues ya
there's
tengo 70.
How
Ya
sweet.
el mes que viene cumplo 71.
Well, I'm 70 and next month I'll turn 71.
all right. Well, you look great.
Bueno, usted
Thank you.
luce muy bien.
So
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna order that your granddaughter, I'm gonna enter a modified stay away order for you for the alleged, I'm sorry, for Cassandra Olivero.
Bien, yo voy a dictar entonces una orden de alejamiento modificada para Cassandra Olivera.
You are allowed, ma'am, Miss Cassandra Olivero, you are allowed to have contact with your grandmother. You are prohibited from being physically threatening or violent towards her in any manner whatsoever.
Bien, usted puede, señora Cassandra, tener contacto con su abuela, pero se le prohíbe que se comporte con ella de manera amenazante o violenta.
Also, Renee, do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
Bien, la señora juez le ha dicho a la señora Cassandra que no se involucre en una actividad delictiva, ni use ni esté en tenencia de drogas ilícitas, ni compre, ni use, ni porte arma, pistola, arma de fuego, de municiones. Si lo tiene, debe entregarlo de inmediato.
You understand the modified stay away order, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. So I'll give her pretrial services alternate bond $1,500. There is probable cause for the charge.
Así que le permite la libertad de la cárcel bajo el programa Pretrial Services. Si no la aceptan, $1,500 de fianza alterna.
Okay, thank you.
French
Bien,
interpreter
gracias.
and a private attorney
So I
for Ms. Kirklock. I'll be.
Thank you so
What?
much for coming in, ma'am. Have a good day.
You're free to leave, ma'am. Have a nice
Gracias,
day.
señora, por haber venido. Está en
Miss
libertad de marcharse.
Collins.
Buen día.
One second.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry. She'd like to ask something if the interpreter could get back on.
Of course. What is your question?
Claro que sí. ¿Cuál es su pregunta?
Yo quiero preguntarle si pudiera ser posible que la manden obligatoriamente a un programa de rehabilitación.
I would like to ask you whether it would be possible for you send her, require her to attend a rehabilitation program.
So I can't order anything, but you can speak to the state attorney's office and they can discuss that with her attorney and try and have the next judge order that.
Bien, yo no puedo ordenar nada, pero usted podría hablar con la fiscalía para que el próximo juez ordene esto.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, who is here now? Is this Miss?
This is Louisa Kirkak. We have a French interpreter and a private attorney.
I wasn't aware. I finished the ladies. What are you talking about?
And this one we passed for a French interpreter, Judge.
I passed for a Persian interpreter. Oh, no.
And a French interpreter.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Today's the Middle East, I guess, the Europe and
Should we get off the call?
You're
Yeah.
good to go.
Okay.
She's free to leave. Thank you.
very
All
much.
right,
Bye now.
Louisa
Keep your phone on
Kirkpatrick.
for the.
Is that Bill Brady's here?
Yes, he's joining now.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for one count of child neglect.
On vous a arrêté avec un compte de négligence des enfants. Bonjour.
Oh, Miss Collins, have you been sworn in today?
No,
Do you
no,
swear
not
or
yet,
affirm
Your-
you will translate from English to French and French to English to the best of your abilities? If so, state I do.
I do, I do.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, your attorney is here. Hi, Mr. Brady. Long time no see.
Hello, Your Honor. Great to see you. Your Honor, I represent Ms. Kirkachek in a family law dispute, a family law case that's pending right now. I'm not intending on representing her in this criminal matter, but
The
I
interpreter, a
was
second.
concerned, so I logged on to, I was in touch with the bondsman to bond her out, and we were waiting for this hearing and just hoping that that would happen today.
How old's the child? I don't have it. I have his initials. I guess it's CH, but we're gonna need the full name.
He's 14, I believe. Ms. Kirchek, are you there?
Madame Herchek, est-ce que vous êtes là? Votre
Oui,
avocat
oui.
veut vous parler.
Oui, oui, il a 14 ans, 14 ans et demi.
He's 14 and a half.
What are his, I need his initials for this, for modified stay away order, I guess.
Quelles sont ses initiales?
State, you're gonna have to call it over.
I don't have it. I don't have the child's name.
And I can't do
I
it.
don't have the child's.
The child's walking home alone, walking away from a hotel alone. He was disheveled. And he said his father wasn't at the hotel.
Need the child's name.
The child was also hungry, had not eaten. His mother had not given him his medication for 2 months. Those are the allegations. So you want to interpret that?
Les allégations sont que l'enfant avait quitté un hôtel, son papa n'était pas dans l'hôtel, il avait faim, il était mal nourri, sa maman ne lui avait pas donné ses médicaments depuis 2 mois, ses vêtements étaient tout à fait défaits et il marchait tout seul.
So, Miss F, I can't do a stay away order if I don't have the child's name.
Mr. Brady, do you have it? Can we just?
Yes, ma'am. Sincera, the child's name, please. We'll work a little faster,
Miss
please.
Corey, I'm appointing your office to represent the mother, just so we're clear.
Okay.
Do you have the name for the child?
Yes, Judge, I will, you want me to email it to Ms. F or?
Yeah, email it or say it out loud. It doesn't matter. Anyway, that being said, ma'am, I'm
I
gonna
can say it
end.
out loud if you want.
You wanted to say it out loud and I'll just do the initials.
First name is Ryan. Last name is J.
I got it and I got that here in the A form.
Oh, okay.
1 second. All right, so ma'am, I'm going to enter what's called a modified stay away order. You're allowed to have only supervised contact with your child whose initials are RA.
Madame, je vais vous donner un ordre de changement. Vous pouvez avoir contact avec votre enfant uniquement supervisé. Sans supervision, vous ne pouvez pas et ses initiales sont RA.
You cannot be I need also the child's date of birth.
Et la date de naissance de l'enfant, qu'est-ce que c'est?
You cannot be physically threatening or violent towards the child in any manner whatsoever.
Et vous ne pouvez pas menacer l'enfant de quelque manière que ce soit.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
Vous ne pouvez pas faire d'activité criminelle et vous ne pouvez pas posséder ou utiliser des drogues illégales.
And also, do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Et vous ne pouvez pas utiliser, acheter ou utiliser des armes à feu, des munitions.
And you must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court.
Et vous devez aussi rendre au bureau de police toutes les armes et les munitions que vous avez avec le permis de porter des armes au bureau de police directement.
In the event there is an open case in dependency court regarding the same set of facts and events as this case.
Et s'il y a un autre cas dans la cour de dépendance,
then any and all orders entered in dependency court regarding your contact, visitation, and custody shall supersede or replace this court's order.
Et tous les ordres qui ont été donnés par la cour de dépendance remplaceront les ordres que cette cour-ci vous a donnés.
All right, do you understand this modified stay-away order for only supervised contact with the child subject to any orders of dependency court or family court?
Est-ce que vous avez compris que vous pouvez avoir uniquement des contacts avec l'enfant en étant supervisé et en sachant que la cour de dépendance aurait probablement des ordres différents de moi? Vous avez compris?
I understand.
Okay.
Yes.
Also, I need the child's date of birth just for my order state.
Ms. Corey, do you have it?
Yes, what's the date of birth?
La date de naissance de l'enfant?
September
38.
28,
30.
30, September 30,
2010.
2010.
Thank you. All right, there's probable cause for the charge, pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a good day.
Bonne journée, c'est 2500 $2,500.
That being said, nice to see you, Mr. Brady. You know who else is here to say hello to you?
Who's that?
My dear friend, Judge David Young, who's now taking over for me.
Hey, Judge Young, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Oh, great. Great to see you too.
Good to see you at the football games, Mr. Brady, right?
Oh, I'll see you there.
Yeah, tailgating.
For good
Okay.
or for good or for bad.
Yeah. All right. So I'm departing. Judge Young is kind enough to take over. I have one reset here. Thank you, Ms. Collins.
Judge, I
Unless
have a
you're a person.
question. Are you
Yeah.
gonna be there this afternoon?
No, Judge Young is.
I'll be here.
Oh, okay, because the ASAs were gonna stop by. Maybe Judge Young will speak with them.
Oh, you're better off. They're gonna have new ASAs stopping by they're getting a training, and I'm sure they're in better hands with Judge Young.
I doubt that.
Also,
She's the new TV star.
you're the one and only David Young. So I have one here, a reset for Persian interpreter. Miss Collins, you don't speak Persian by any chance, do you?
No, unfortunately, no.
You're free to go. I say au revoir. Goodbye.
Au revoir,
Thank you.
madame. Au revoir. Au
Thank you.
revoir.
All right. Thank you. Bye, guys. I'll see you next week.
Have a good weekend, Judge.
Thank you. David. Oh, it's still, let me turn the speaker off. I'll put, if you need to mute him. Set up the camera this way. Right. I know this doesn't do it.
Ms. Corey, are you a co-host? You are, okay. At least one of us. Perfect.
Oh, you're not a co-host?
It's okay, as long as one of us is.
I made you a co-host earlier. Oh, you're different now. All
I
right.
changed my name because there's a different judge.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Bye, guys. See you next week.
Have a good one.
Oh, it's gonna be.
Bye.
I see. Bunch of Schwartz today. Everybody's.
It's been funny.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Safe trip.
Thanks for me. Oh, yeah.
Okay, good morning.
Good
We're still morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay. Boozley, Escrement,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Present, Rebecca Corey, Assistant Public Defender. Good morning.
morning. Okay, court finds probable cause they committed the offense.
Judge, you apparently was 1 day late. Would Your Honor consider a reduced bond?
He was just
No.
released from prison last year.
No, I'm not gonna reduce the bond, thank you. I'm not gonna read the charge. I don't think it's appropriate unless PD wants me to.
No, Judge, we'll waive reading.
Okay, thank you. What standard bond, please?
2,500.
Okay, $2,500 it is. Thank you very much. Katrina, did they have my stamps? It has, okay.
And Your Honor, do you have a copy of the calendar there? You can set the bonds. Okay. I'm sorry, I wanted to say that's rules each, and all this, just the bones are there on the side.
Got it. Oh, I never knew that. Okay, thank you very much. Alrighty. Damian Bullard.
Morning, Judge. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning, Mr. Bullard. How are you, sir?
I'm doing all right.
Does he have any open cases?
No.
Then there's a Bullard that's in my division as well.
Yes, sir.
Is it you?
Sir?
No, it's, what?
This one is Emilio.
Okay, well, same floor, we're okay.
Judge, Mr. Ballard is working 2 jobs, one at Outback and one at People Ready, labor pool.
The
He
defendant's
can't
got
afford
it.
a bond. Would Your Honor consider any program for him? Would
He's
you
got a
consider?
petty theft conviction from February, and he's got a serious prior prison sentence. He was sentenced to 10 years in state prison.
Public defenders appointed, probable cause is found, stowaway order with Walmart.
Yes, sir.
And $2,500 on count 1, 500 on count 2. You get this, you don't, the priors, we throw the priors out, right?
Correct. I'll throw it out.
Okay,
Thank you.
great, thank you. Rainford Smith,
He was already addressed, Your Honor.
oh, okay. Next we have Rasheed Butler.
He's a violent felony offender, special concern. He's on probation, 2 cases.
Okay, so on 24-8364 and 23-21542, he has out on probation, in this case, holding no bond, and on this case, grand theft 3rd degree. Bond is $5,000. PD's appointed, probable cause is found. Thank you. Ricardo Sanchez. Sanchez, you have 1 count of cocaine possession, tampering physical
He's
evidence.
not here. If you could please wait until he comes into the room, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. I apologize for that. Is Mr. Sanchez coming?
Coming up, Your Honor.
Oh, is it? Gentleman with the
Spanish
walker.
interpreter, please.
Of course.
$75 years old.
Judge, he would qualify for TAP if Your Honor's inclined to give him a program.
I would ask for TAP, Judge. In addition, I'd ask you to find no probable cause for count 2.
Bien, la Fiscalía y la Defensa solicitan el programa TAP. También la Defensa le solicita al juez que no haya motivo fundado para la acusación número 2.
Maybe an attempt. He tried
Tal
to
vez
he threw the bottle.
tentativa. Tiró la botella.
Or he could be just assisting the officer.
Yeah, I'm
O
fine.
podría.
Count 2, did you say?
Yes, Judge.
O podría estar asistiendo a los agentes.
That's denied. I find probable cause for count 1 and count 2. I do not find probable cause for count 3, however. Because although he's been previously arrested at the same location.
Previously trespassed, it says.
Bien, yo encuentro de que hay motivo
But it doesn't
fundado.
say that he's been previously warned.
So they
Encuentro de que hay motivo fundado para las acusaciones 1 y 2. No encuentro motivo fundado para la acusación número 3. Dice que él ha entrado ilegalmente en la misma ubicación anteriormente.
trespass means you're told not to come back.
Maybe yes, maybe no.
May not be
Not
currently
sure.
Active, I agree, Judge.
Not sure. So tap alternate bond, count 1 is 2,500, count 2 is 2,500, count 3 is an ROR.
Bien, le liberan de la cárcel bajo el programa TAP, cargo 1, $2,500 como fianza alterna, lo mismo para el cargo 2 y cargo número 3, libertad bajo palabra.
Can we give him a date to come back to court, please, Judge?
8/22, Your Honor.
8/22.
9/22.
9/22?
Is that a court
Nine-
holiday? Can you double check?
Is it a holiday?
Rosh Hashanah is when? Hold on, let the Jew figure this out. Hold on a second.
I think it's the 23rd from a non-Jew.
From the non-Jew talk, okay.
Let's see what happens.
All right, so let's see. Court holiday in September is the 23rd. We're good.
It's Erev Rosh Hashanah. Judge David will still be cooking for 30 people, but that's okay. You all are invited. Actually, Mindy's gonna have it at her house. Edgar Gonzalez Diaz.
Judge, what courtroom number would that be for Judge Hirsch for the notice?
Is it 4-8?
4-8, thank you.
Bien, se le reprograma para audiencia el 22 de septiembre, sala judicial 4-8 ante el juez Hirsch.
Okay. We have 2A forms for Mr. Gonzalez Diaz. First, he allegedly went to Walgreens, then he goes to CVS. Okay. First of all, Mr. Gonzalez Diaz, I'm entering a stay order of Walgreens and of CVS, sir. Probably.
Did we lose a judge?
I think so.
Did they fix your mic or not yet?
My mic?
Yeah.
No.
Roy was here the other day struggling with the button.
Yeah. Push it like 6 times sometimes.
Tony, are you there?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay.
What's up, Nessa?
It's been a long week.
I know. What happened to the judge? Was he there, or we changed the judges again?
He should be up there.
Okay.
Tony, we taking care of things?
Hey, Judge. Nice to see you.
How's working?
You're off. How you on?
Off, on, off. You know.
Does it work?
I don't think so, Mindy. I only have 3 people on. I don't know how to.
Me too.
I think we should be good to go.
Wait, let me just sort it out. Oh dear. So over here's participants. Here's your chat room. Let me just, is it interpreter promoted or no? I have to leave. I was sending an order.
Miss
Yes, Your
LaFontaine.
Honor.
Everybody's
Thank you.
good? You're in good hands with Judge Young. Bye, dear. You're good to go. So this, because you just hit the, there's an issue, you hit participants, you can see that, turns it off. Uh-oh, what did I do that for, chat? Why isn't we have the, oh, they moved it down here. I don't like that. Let me see if we can get it back. There you go. Chat's down here. Good. So if anybody's chatting in here, you can see it. Nobody's here chatting. That's good. So we can move this down here. You can see everybody and you can go to attendee. So if somebody raises their hand, you can see if you need to promote them.
Okay,
Good to go?
I'm good to go.
See you later. Are you guys still co-hosts?
Yep.
Okay, they'll promote anybody.
Okay.
That's promotion ticket.
Alrighty. We're with John Louder.
This is Edgar Gonzalez Diaz.
We
We
took
did
care of that
that
already.
on-
$2,500 on each case.
Okay.
He's
Well,
ceased
we didn't
bound.
hear the ruling, Judge. Judge, if I could be heard on the bond, he's got about $300 to be able to put toward mostly a $3,000 total bond. Would you be able to do $1,500 per count?
No, with his
Okay.
record. No, with his
Just
record.
Right. He was just released from prison in May. He was sentenced to 366 last year, also for theft.
No, let's keep it the way it is. I could raise it. I don't think you want me to do. Okay, John Louder. Yeah, cocaine possession and drug paraphernalia.
He may qualify for TAP.
Excuse me?
He may qualify for TAP.
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
Judge, he has a place to live. Would Your Honor consider any?
Hold on a minute.
program for him?
He hasn't been arrested in a long time. I take that back.
Been
Well,
quite a while.
2022 for cocaine possession.
Other than
Yes.
that, most of them are quite old.
Is crack cocaine? I'm not, no. If he has a treatment program, that's a different story.
Well, TAP would be able to help refer him for drug.
But whether he goes or not, that's a different story from that. So, talk to Judge Stuzen about it. Count one is 2,500. Count two is 500. Thank you.
Spanish interpreter, please.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're on Pedraza?
Bonded out.
Pedraza bonded out, okay? Thank you. That makes life easier. Yoel Lopez Ruby.
Present Spanish interpreter, please.
Yes.
But the good news, sir, is that you have no children with this woman.
La buena noticia, señor, es que usted no tiene hijos con esta señora.
I'm entering a stay away order from you and Kathleen Solizano. And
Estoy
also Kathleen Villarroel.
Bien, estoy dictando orden judicial de alejamiento de Kathleen Solozano y Kathleen Noel.
State is requesting a bond plus house arrest.
La fiscalía solicita la imposición de una fianza, además de arresto domiciliario.
So the count where you have one count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon,
Así que hay una acusación de
battery.
asalto agravado con arma mortífera, agresión corporal,
$5,000 bond plus house arrest, total lockdown, $500 on count 2, probable causes found, PD's appointed, probable cause found on that first A form, and on the second A form of stalking.
Bien, para el cargo, según los cargos del informe de arresto número 1, $5,000 de fianza y arresto domiciliario con cierre total, $500 de fianza. En el cargo 2 se encuentra motivo fundado, se le designa al abogado de oficio.
That's a $2,500 PC and the public defender's appointed.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. $2,500 for what?
For count 1 for stalking.
Okay, thank you. Bien, para el cargo 1, $2,500 de acecho, por el cargo 1 de acecho.
You know, is that plus house arrest also?
No,
One level of house arrest, Your Honor, 143?
total 1.
Cierre total, arresto domiciliario.
Forrest Ham.
Bond it out.
I ordered that in Publix the other day, I think. What? I'm afraid I'm on TV. I gotta behave myself.
Mr. Tejeda is present. He speaks English.
Darren Tejeda. Okay, PC is found. Public defenders appointed. Bond is $5,000. Is pretrial available?
States are
Yeah.
bond because of the firearm.
Consider pretrial with an alternate bond, Judge.
No, because there's a firearm involved. Otherwise, I would have.
Okay, count-
$5,000 standard bond.
Count 2, Judge. Would that be ROR on count 2?
No, 500 on count 2. Thank you. It's funny when people act crazy. Stephen Marius.
The violent felony offender of special concern. He has a fugitive hold from Broward, no bond, and another one from Martin County.
Okay, and I'm also issuing a stay away order non-domestic against Carol Amato. From Crandon Park Boulevard. Okay, so he has 2A forms. One is fleeing, one is false name. The count is resisting. $5,000 on count 1. PC is found. Public defenders appointed. 500 and 500. And hold them for no bond for the warrant from Broward County.
Your Honor, there are 2
Judge, he
counts
has a
of
bond on the warrant. And there's 4 counts to case ending in 18208.
Okay, 500 on all the misdemeanor cases. All the misdemeanor counts.
And Judge, there is a bond assigned to the arrest warrant by Judge Milian.
Okay, a bond is $40,000.
So it has to be divided among 2 counts. As the arrest warrant states, it's
Sure,
30,000 for count 1, 10,000 for count 2. Is that okay?
That's
with you?
correct. Alrighty. Thank you very much. Good luck, sir. Octavius Enick. Game possession, cannabis possession. Pretrial services, alternate bond 2,500. On count one, $100 on count two. PD's appointed and PC is found.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear your ruling.
Pretrial
Pretrial
Pretrial?
services, pretrial, alternate bond 2,500 count one, 100 count two.
Thank
You're welcome. Travis Ward.
He's a violent felony offender of special concern. He's on probation.
And 23-12239, hold him no bond. $5,000 bond on count one. PC's found, public defenders appointed. Rashawn Persall. $7,500 count one. 5,000 count two. Probable cause is found. PD's appointed. Thank you. Didn't we do Dyrone Tejeda already?
Yes, Your Honor, it was 5,500.
Why do I have the stay away order here with a different name? Guys. Whoever did it? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Mr. Jacques.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. Really? Okay.
Judge, there's some other circumstances to this case. It looks like he's here on a traffic charge. Would Your Honor consider any program for this?
What's he in custody for? Anybody can tell me?
The traffic bench warrant was given ROR. The only thing holding him is this case.
Pretrial services, alternate bond 1,000. PC is found. PD is appointed. Sandro Esquiedo.
Bonded out.
Those are my favorite words doing bond hearings.
Judge, we're waiting for a Persian interpreter.
Yes, we are.
If there's
Do we have one yet?
Somebody's raising their hand. Perhaps that's the interpreter. I'll promote him.
Thank you.
I'll
Who's
ask
the-
my office about the interpreter. Oh, there she is, I think.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you our Persian interpreter? If so, unmute, turn on your camera. Hey, we can't hear you.
Unmute?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right,
Okay.
perfect.
What's the name of the defendant?
I made it right now.
Right.
Might have put it to the side. over
She did. I got it right here. Is Hamid
Yes, yes.
That's him. Okay. Raise your right hand, Madam Interpreter.
Madam Interpreter, you swear that you will well and faithfully interpret from Persian to English, English to Persian to the best of your ability, and that you have such ability. If so, say I do.
Yes, I do.
We also have a detective who is present, so I believe wanted to address the court.
خواستم ببینن که اینجا یه بازرس هستش در حضور داره در کورت یا نه.
Detective, what? Raise your right hand, detective, please. Prompt testimony gives the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. You're muted.
Sorry about that. Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you want to tell me about this case, please?
راجع به این کیس شما براشون بگم.
He is a PhD student at FIU. To my understanding, he's fluent in English. I just wanted to give a little bit of background on that. But the reason why I'm here today is I was requesting hopefully a psych eval.
Hold on, ma'am, hold on. We need to get it translated. Unless, does your client, Madam PD, does your client understand English?
He speaks some English, Judge, but he prefers an interpreter for court proceedings.
I understand completely.
ایشون گفتن که شما دانشجوی PhD هستین در دانشگاه FIU و تا حدودی انگلیسیتون خیلی خوب هستش، ولی خب ترجیح میدین برای مکالمات دادگاه مترجم داشته باشین. دادگاه اینو پرسید. ولی خواستم برای شما از نظر روانی شما رو ارزیابی بکنم.
Detective, tell me about the nature of the threat and who's the threat made to.
خواستم ببینن اتهامی که به شما
Alleged threat, I should say.
Yes, sir.
وارده به شما چی هستش که این خانم بازرس براتون توضیح بده.
So the alleged threat was made to one of his professors or his preceptor for his PhD program, and it was done via email.
تهدیدی که انجام شده از طریق ایمیل بوده به یکی از استادای PhD تون.
The language utilized was something to the effect of I see you more as dead than you are alive, and I want to help you with this.
زبانی که استفاده شده در این ایمیل اینه که مرده شما از زنده‌تون بهتره و من میخوام اونو ببینم.
And what's he getting his PhD in?
I believe
در چیه؟
Engineering, correct?
مهندسی، درسته؟
Has there been any...
I'm sorry, I cannot hear him at all.
I don't think he say anything at this point.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Is there any trace that the government has on this gentleman?
میگن هیچ ردی دولت از ایشون داره؟
Detective?
That I know of, no, sir.
نه من نمیدونم.
And where is he a citizen of?
خانم وضعیت سیتیزنشیپ شما چیه؟
Anybody want to tell me that answer?
I believe it's Iran, sir.
فکر میکنن شما هنوز سیتیزنشیپ ایرانو دارین، شهروند ایرانی هست.
Okay. What's the state's request for bail?
خواستم ببینم وظیفه چه حکمی در این مورد داره.
$15,000 with a passport surrender.
میخوان $15,000 جریمه بدین و پاسپورتتون هم تحویل بدین.
I don't know if the detective has any other input. I know you were requesting the psych eval.
میگه گفتن که میدونم بازرس خواسته که اطلاع دیگه نداره و خواسته که از نظر روانی شما ارزشیابی بشین.
Judge, I would ask that you find no probable cause.
که من میخوام ببینم هیچ شاهد قابل باوری در این مورد وجود داره.
There's no threat to kill or do bodily injury in any way?
میگه هیچ اتهامی یا هیچ تهدیدی از این که بخواد از نظر جسمانی صدمه‌ای برسونه ما نداریم.
At best, it looks like it's a suggestion that he could help her to be more alive or feel more alive.
و اینطوری که به نظر میاد اینجوری بوده که ایشون پیشنهاد کرده که من میخوام شما یه ذره بیشتر حالت زنده بودن داشته باشین.
Probable cause is found, public defender is appointed. Bond is $25,000 plus house arrest, total lockdown.
میگن probable cause یا دلایل معتبر وجود داره، شاهدی که بتونن داشته باشن موجوده و وثیقه $25,000 دارن میذارن و محصور در منزل باشین.
Must surrenders passport.
پاسپورتتون هم باید تحویل بدین.
And I'm going to not order a psychological evaluation yet. Let it go to division. Let the division attorneys speak with their client, and then they can make that request if they think it's appropriate.
میگه الان در حال حاضر ارزشیابی روانی اوردر نمیدم، میذارم خودتون برین توی قسمت خودتون و وکلا با هم دیگه صحبت کنین و اونجا تصمیم بگیرین چه چیزی بهتر هست.
Judge, can we finding a probable cause is over defense objection? There's no indication of threat to kill or do bodily harm.
So noted.
The passport surrender. Can he surrender his passport once he is out on house arrest?
Yes, ma'am.
میگه میتونه پاسپورتشو موقعی تحویل بده که از هاوس ارست، از محصور در خانه بودن بیرون بیاد و این شواهدی که ما داریم من خیلی متوجهش نمیدم.
How much time will he have to surrender the passport, Judge?
24 hours.
24 hours.
24 ساعت وقت دارین که پاسپورتتون تحویل بدید.
And Judge, I don't know if he can surrender a passport on a weekend to the clerk's office.
فکر نمی‌کنم بتونه آخر هفته ویکند پاسپورتش تحویل بده به دادگاه.
Would he be able to surrender it to the public defender's office on the next weekday?
میتونه اولین روز هفته آینده به دادستانی تحویل بده.
No, must surrender it to the clerk's office.
میگه نه، باید به همین آفیس کلرکس آفیس بده.
Does the clerk know whether or not they're available on the weekends in case he's released on a weekend?
میدون میگه کلرکار برای آخر هفته available نیستن، در دسترس نیست.
Detective, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. Can we do mandatory stay away order from FIU?
Yes, I can.
دستور اجباری بدیم که از FIU شما به طور حتما دور باشین. گفت بله میتونیم.
Put that on the back of the form, please.
Appreciate you, sir.
So were we able to find out if the clerk's office is available for passport surrender on Saturdays or Sundays?
No, they're not.
They're not? So if he were to be released over the weekend, then he would have to surrender the passport on the following Monday, correct?
میگه چون آخر هفته این اداره تعطیله و
State, is that okay with you?
تحویل بدین، میشه دوشنبه بده.
Yes.
میگفتن بله دوشنبه امکانش هست.
بعد من میشه بهشون بگیدیم 25,000 تا رو من ندارم چجوری بدم؟ دانشجوام.
He's asking, I'm just a student. I cannot afford to pay $25,000.
You talk to your lawyer about that, sir. We're on the next case. Thank you.
شما با وکیلتون صحبت باید بکنید.
Thank you, Madam Interpreter. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Terrell Cooper.
Thank you, Judge.
He bonded out, didn't he?
No.
Terrell Cooper?
He's got an AC.
Cooper is here. He has an AC, no bond.
Got it. I'm sorry. On 22-5859, he's out on bond. There's an AC has been issued. Hold him no bond. And on the new case,
And then Judge, after this, we have the hospital here.
okay. Okay. Cooper, 10,000, count 1, 15,000, count 2, 5,000, count 3, and then 500, count 4. PC is found, public defenders appointed.
Count 2 is a second-degree felony. Would you consider setting standard bond at 7,500?
No, I wouldn't. He's not, he's staying in anyway on the AC, so. Who's the hospital case?
Hospital case is Moses de Rosier.
What number is that, please?
49,
It would be on page.
page 17.
Got it. Okay. Mr. Rozier, how are you feeling?
Doing good, man. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm not in Ward D.
Nice to hear that.
Fleeing and eluding, weapon possession, reckless driving. PD is appointed, PC is found.
Judge Glazer found probable cause for all counts except for count 6 on F-25 18159.
Right, I'm sorry, all this was already done by Judge Glazer. What we need to do is set bonds.
Yes.
I have 2 A forms
Yes.
for 2 different cases.
Yes.
Okay. So let me do the first case that I started doing. She didn't do the PC finding on the first one, correct? State and PD?
She did probable cause finding on both cases.
Judge, in
And on the one.
I'm sorry, you're absolutely right. I'm sorry. My glasses are off. Yes, she did. Let me just set bonds.
Judge, one thing, in 5-9, I believe that she found probable cause for carjacking instead of the armed grand thefts. The state is requesting that the defendant be held without bond, and I'll provide a motion for pretrial detention this afternoon.
Okay. So let me do the first case I have, the first A form. 5,000, 2,500.
What case number is that, Judge?
I have no idea.
The 4-5?
The one that has the 4 counts.
Top right corner, top right corner.
I give you, oh, here, I'm sorry, 25, 18145, right.
3 counts, Your Honor.
Because the reckless goes to the misdemeanor.
Right. 5,000, 2,500, 500 and 500.
Judge, on the traffic, that's in another division.
It's reckless drive, the traffic, I'm sorry, that should not be here. Strike count 4. Okay, just for the 3. Now, on the other case, which is 5-9. One through 4. $5,000.
Just be mindful that there's multiple counts of the first 2 charges.
I know, 5,000. 5,000. Count 5 is no bond. And count 6 and 7. 6 ROR, 7 ROR, 8, 11, 8 through 11. $5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000. Count 11 is 5,000.
Is it a misdemeanor?
Unlawful discharge. I apologize. You're absolutely correct. That's 500. Here we go. And the stay away orders also. Chris?
Is there a motion, Your Honor?
Motion for what?
See, Judge, I'll provide the motion this afternoon for pretrial detention on the armed carjacking.
Okay, and there's Stay Order, Jessica Brown, Cairo Palacio, Junie Rico. And that's it. All righty.
So Mr. Rosier, currently you're being held no bond. You're gonna see your division judge on Monday, who's gonna set you for a special hearing within the next 5 days from then to determine whether or not you can get a bond on the case. Okay?
Okay.
All right, feel better.
This one again, for my life.
I don't know, I gave them to you and you gave them back to me on
This
time.
is- it's like,
Whatever.
It was one of those days. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris. Renee Sanchez.
Bond out?
Joseph Anderson.
He's present, just got out of Ward D. I would ask for pretrial services.
There is Mr. Anderson. Ward D, PC found, reset, okay. Pretrial services alternate bond is 1,500. Thank you. Kevin Roming.
Hi, this is Mr. Raming. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Possession of cocaine with 1,000 feet of a school, cannabis and trespass after warning. Stay away orders being entered. Guess the school address is 1114 Southwest First Street in Miami. Count 1 is 7,500. And count 2 and 3 are 500 each. PC is found, public defenders appointed. Thank you.
Judge, with regard to probable cause, are you finding probable cause for possession or possession with intent, Judge?
Possession with intent.
I would ask if you consider finding probable cause for just possession
No, ma'am.
for count 1.
No, ma'am. Thank you, though. Marcus Coleman. Yeah, 2A forms. Case 25-18180, probable cause is found. Public defenders appointed. 5,000 count 1.
Judge, on count 2, they don't indicate what it's 1,000 feet from.
Talks about fellowship hall.
Well, the fellowship hall is fellowship hall. Without indicating what fellowship hall is, it's a hall.
I'm finding probable cause.
Judge, I've never even heard of fellowship hall. Does not indicate it's a church or convenience store.
So here it is.
5,000 count 1, 10,000 counts 2 and 3. PD's appointed, probable cause is found on that case.
But your finding is over defense objection. There's nothing in the 4 corners of the arrest form indicating what fellowship hall is, other than a place of fellowship.
Noted for the record,
Or a
ma'am.
hall
Thank
of
you.
Fellowship.
Okay. Count 18179. Again, the same argument with the fellowship hall.
Yes, Judge.
5,000 count one, 10,000 count two. Over defense objection. Dennis Summers. PC is found.
Judge, he's got 10 prior HTO convictions.
What, I'm sorry?
He has 10 prior HTO convictions.
Oh, okay. $2,500, 3,000 count two, and 500 count three. Again, probable cause found, public defenders appointed. Juan Camilo Velasquez.
Your Honor.
Spanish is preferred? Spanish?
Yep. Good morning.
Evening. PC's found, public defenders appointed.
Se encuentra motivo fundado, se le designa al defensor público para que lo represente.
$2,500 count one.
$2,500 la fianza para la acusación 1.
1,500 count two.
1,500 para el cargo 2.
Stay away from Margaret Lawson.
Manténgase alejado de Margaret Lawson.
Thank you. Oh,
Gracias.
I lost something again. Here we go. Joseph Inastria. Is that on felony bond?
I think these are added corrections.
There's an added charge.
Added charge, okay. So, Mr. Joseph, I'm entering stay away order from Ultra, ULTA. And the added charge is retail theft. Well, Ulta, I know where Ulta is. $1,500. PC and PD, of course, is appointed. I'm sorry, can we help you?
Yeah.
Marcuni, I'm sorry, yeah, Marcuni Ramondo?
Present.
Mr. Ramondo, are you related to the judge?
No, Judge.
Day we order from Iridal Perez. And let's see how we're doing here. Okay, probable cause is found. Public defenders appointed. 5,000, count one. 500 counts 2 and 3. Thank you.
Judge, Mr. Mundo does not have funds for a bond. Would your honor consider any program as an alternate?
Which program?
Would you consider house arrest?
No, he already spent time in prison. No, thank you. Lazaro Valladares. Added charge. Grand
Yeah,
theft.
he refused court. He's an added charge.
Or you want to waive his presence?
Valladares, yes. It was a refusal, correct?
Yes.
Probable cause is found. Public defenders appointed. $1,500. You and the stay away order from Home Depot.
That could be done in division.
What?
No
That could be
stay
done in
away.
division since he's not here.
Yeah, when they're not present, you don't call.
We don't do the stay away order, right?
Correct.
Thank you.
And I think
Thank
he had
you.
2 cases, right?
Pardon?
Did he have 2 cases?
No, Valladares has 1.
Okay.
Antoine Wilson.
He refused court. He's an added charge.
Waive his
waive his
presence.
Yes.
PC is found. Public defenders appointed. 1,500 on the added charge. And I will not enter a stay away order from Burlington Code Factory because he's not here. I don't want to get yelled at by my PD or my assistant state attorney.
And we don't want to yell at you. Not today, it's Friday.
I think it's just Burlington now. I think they dropped the coat factory.
Yeah,
What?
Coke Factory just sounds old these days. It's just Burlington now.
Well, I'm
Like,
old.
it's
So
not
there you-
Kentucky Fried Chicken anymore because fried is unhealthy, so now it's KFC.
But I love fried chicken, especially from Joe Stone Crab. It's only like $6. It's the best deal in town. So if it's being taped, I'll do a promo for Joe's. Peyton Pierre, added charge, battery by detainee.
He refused.
We can waive his presence.
Public defender appointed, PC, bond is 500.
Miss F, do you have the name of the alleged victim?
Hold on.
And we have the hospital for another person.
Give me a second for you. I'll get it for you.
Okay, so we have Moses DeRoser.
We did Moses. Now this is for Christopher Anderson. Where's Anderson?
What do we do with Moses' case? DeRosier. Katrina, that's ours.
That was the one, Judge.
it
It was the
okay,
carjacking. Your Honor took care of it earlier. They just probably didn't change the name on Zoom.
Okay. So they need to file the pretrial detention motion?
I'll file it this afternoon.
So it's my case? That was somebody
Yana,
else.
who are you talking about?
Moses DeRosier.
Yes, it is in your division, Judge.
Isn't that fun? I can do it right now.
We did him. He's number 49. He's the one that was on the hospital Zoom with the 2 cases.
Right.
This is a different person from the hospital, but I'm trying to find out where he's on calendar. It's Christopher.
We don't have
Anderson.
anybody else for the hospital.
Right? There's nowhere.
They're probably in the wrong courtroom.
Okay. Kristen Amari Owens, added charge.
Yes, he refused.
Hang on a second.
PD, PC, and $500. Battery on a detainee. Any objection, Madam Public Defender?
No, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
It was a refusal, corrections?
Yes. Manuel Campos Martinez.
Your Honor, he refused.
He's been refusing.
He's been refusing?
And so he refused in the morning yesterday. It was NBC in the afternoon.
Okay, we'll waive his presence.
Number F25146115, a bond has already been set, that should be set in division. The only one you need to put as a bond is F25-18046.
Okay. $2,500 on count one. And 5,000 on count two. And there's a stay away order, non-domestic violence. I should not sign this because he's not here, correct?
Correct.
Judge Venger should take care of that. Okay. Cantrell Parish,
He refused, Your Honor.
another added charge.
We can waive his presence.
PD waived. Probable cause is found. $3,000 bond on count one.
The 3,000, Your Honor?
3,000, yes. Antonio Delva, added charge.
We can waive his presence. Those are refusal corrections, Delva?
Yes.
$2,500 count one, public defenders appointed, probable cause is found. Javon Laurent, added charge.
Refused.
We can waive his presence.
PD, PC, 500. Hello, everybody. Not yet. It'll be afternoon in half an hour. For the first time all day, I am correct. Ronaldo Vasquez Marta.
He refused.
We have an added charge.
Added charge.
Corrections, what's his bond on the other felony, the cocaine? We can't hear you.
He was given TAP, alternate 5,000 and 2001.
Judge, would you consider TAP on this since he has TAP on the other?
Sure. Tap, alternate bond, 5,000. PC's found. I can't issue the stay order against CVS because he's not here, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. Damian Bubrun, added charge.
Refused.
We'll waive his presence.
PD, PC, $500. Thank you. Albert Rios, added charge.
Refused.
We'll waive his presence.
PD, PC. $1,500 and $1,500. Last case. Benjamin Franklin, Hollis.
He refused.
We'll waive his presence.
PD, PC, $500. Thank you, everybody.
At what time this afternoon, please?
1:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do we know we have a big calendar, a small calendar?
I am printing it out right now. I will not know until.
When will you know?
Well, then you know, when somebody cut from upstairs cut.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Eric, call corrections, please.
Sorry, Judge, what time?
1:30.
See you then.
I'll take care of it. Okay. Can I sign this one?
Just one thing. Come on. Yeah, this is the first door, right door on the right.
Where are you all from?
State Attorney's Office. Intern.
Intern. Nice. Where'd you go to college? Okay, we all ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
I see we have a fabulous Creole interpreter.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Sandra. Have you been sworn in today?
In
at
the
some point?
morning, in the morning.
In the morning, in the evening, Nate, we got fun. Promise you'll translate from English to Creole, Creole to English to the best of your ability.
Yes, I do. Sandra Dana, certified court interpreter for the record.
Okay. Let's see, who do we have here?
Want me to swear in on the?
Yeah, please do.
All right, and raise your right hand, please.
Everybody stand up, raise your right hand, stand up.
Campez, levez mes droites, nous.
Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So say I do.
Est-ce que nous faisons seulement témoignage, nous parlons rien l'autre que la vérité, tant pis dit oui. The Spanish interpreter is trying to connect, I mean, to be accepted.
I made the assistant state attorney co-host, so she can do that.
Okay,
Thank
I will
you.
promote the Spanish interpreter. And any private attorneys, if you have a case on calendar, write a message in the chat. Let us know.
Maria, you were here earlier today, correct? In front of me? President Judge Glazer too?
Are you talking to the Spanish interpreter?
I am.
No, I was not today.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Promise to interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish, English to best of your ability.
I do. Rosa Maria
Okay.
Moedano, certified code interpreter.
Okay, let's do Zariah Guyton first, please. Okay, PC is found.
Yo j'ai une bonne raison pour arrestation.
Is Mr. Guyton Creole?
No,
Ah, no.
No,
I don't believe so.
no. No, you're not. We'll be with you on page 2.
Yes,
On
Your
page
Honor.
6. Okay, okay.
So Judge, Ms. Goitan, I would ask that you find no probable cause. There's nothing indicating that Ms. Goitan was aware that the gun was a stolen gun.
In light of the potential issue on knowledge, would you want to do a program? State's fine with it.
It's fine with what? I'm sorry?
A program pre-trial because there may be an issue as to knowledge in that the gun was stolen back in 2019 per the police case number.
I would ask you to find no PC and release her outright, Judge.
That's nice. They found that firearm in her closet with 5 rounds. That
It
would be
looks like the police case number starts with a 19, so possibly just theft from 6 years ago. There's nothing indicating Ms. Goitan was the person that actually stole the gun.
well, that's something that can be litigated in court. But what I would do is I'm finding PC, PD's appointed in pretrial services, alternate bond $500. Great, thank you very much. Tasha Posse?
Judge, this case was set for a probable cause hearing. I did speak to the detective. At this point, the state's going to agree to ROR.
Okay.
Or release outright.
That's fine. If your honor needs explanation, I can explain.
So is it ROR or released outright?
Outright.
Release outright, no probable cause. She was in custody on the date of the incident.
No PC, released outright. Alrighty, thank you very much.
He's a fugitive from Broward with no bonds.
Okay. Moises Manuel Maurice.
Moïse Manuel Moïse. Ah,
I think he needs the Creole interpreter.
Yes. Okay. So, Mr. Moise.
Monsieur Moïse.
Ms. Coy, does he need the Creole interpreter?
Il a vérifié si le besoin interprète créole.
Mr. Maurice speaks English.
Ah.
Okay, sir.
So Judge, the accusation is that he touched the alleged victim on the arm.
The alleged
But
victim that
There's no
there's a little
age.
more than that.
There's no age, and he said something inappropriate.
Well, the victim himself is 62. I'm sorry, the defendant himself is 62. The victim is the father. According to the A form, the victim is bedridden and has Alzheimer's. So I think the victim would qualify as being disabled. State's concern is the statement. The defendant threatened to kill the victim if they were to call law enforcement. Additionally, the defendant's got an open misdemeanor and he's on misdemeanor probation and has a criminal history, including, looks like, some convictions for crimes of violence. State's requesting a bond plus house arrest. I want to make sure that he stays away from the victim.
Judge, he has another place to go. I don't see where he's on any probation unless I'm missing it.
I've got a misdemeanor case. Let me see. It's M255582.
Alrighty. Bond is $5,000 plus house arrest, level 1. PC's found, public defenders appointed, and there's a stay away order from Manuel Regino Maurice.
Judge, what are you finding probable cause for?
And probable cause for aggravated battery of a person 65 years or older.
Judge, I'm not sure how you're finding.
Judge, it should be the 3rd degree felony battery on either the elderly or disabled.
Okay. I apologize. Hold on 1 minute. Let me reread it again. Let's see. According to the A form, it says directed profanity at the victim, approached him, grabbed the victim by the arm, and did a motion of unzipping his pants and stated, "Suck my dick." Okay.
So Judge, the touching on the arrest form is a touching on his arm. Mr. Maurice has another place to stay. He works with construction. I would ask that you not do house arrest level 1, so he's not able to work.
I think that makes sense. 5,000, house arrest level 3. He'll be able to work, roaming. Thank you.
That's plus, correct, Your Honor?
Plus, yes, plus. Jahani Smith?
Bonded out.
Bonded out, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
We'll need the Creole interpreter for the next one, Mr. Romulus.
Patrick Romulus?
Monsieur Romulus.
He has a hold for immigration. He also has a misdemeanor DV case. He'll be going for that tomorrow.
Alors, ou gagne un dossier dans l'immigration et aussi tout demain ou supposé aller ou un petit cas de violence à domicile.
Okay. PC's found, public defenders appointed.
So the state is requesting that the court find probable cause for a burglary with a battery. The state did file a motion for pretrial detention, requesting the defendant be held without bond.
Alors, juge là joint bon raison pour arrestation. Avocat l'État mandé pour juge là, tribunal là ta joindre que au cas c'est cas entre en côté côté pas de gain droit, côté gain agression physique, que au kembe ou jusqu'à ce qu'on gagne l'autre dans prison jusqu'à ce qu'on gagne audience devant un juge.
I would ask that you deny the state's motion and set a bond for him, Judge.
Alors, avocat la défense t'a mandé que refusé demande avocat l'État a fait.
The court will find probable cause for burglary with a battery, count 1, and hold no bond on count 2. It'll be $5,000. There's also an immigration hold too. He's not going anywhere.
Alors, tribunal là, je ne gagne bon pour arrestation, côté que l'entre en côté, cas c'est cas entre en côté que le pas de gain droit, côté que t'es une agression physique pour charge là. Alors, caution pour ta la gueule là, c'est $5,000 et puis tout gens, les gagnent un dossier administratif, immigration, avec immigration, donc il pas le faire, aucun one pas.
And there's a stay, and there's a stay away order from the victim Marie Dorselin.
Et qu'on l'autre tout, tribunal là t'es bail pour camper loin, Marie Dorceline.
And the state has filed a motion for pretrial detention.
Yes.
We'll sign that.
Alors, l'avocat l'État va demander que, bon, que yo kembe ou en détention jusqu'à ce que ou repasse devant la justice, devant le juge.
Madam Interpreter, if you can let Mr. Romulus know that he's going to go to court Monday before Judge James, who will set him for a special hearing to determine if he can get a bond or be released.
Alors, Monsieur Romulus, et avocat à côté, il veut faut qu'on ait que lundi, ou va le comparaître devant juge James. Alors, audience ça, c'est pour l'audience spéciale pour yo capable si vous êtes d'accord pour yo tendre des cas pour yo ouais si vous êtes la guerre avec une caution.
Leon Cortia.
Mr. Cortias on felony bond F2514219.
I don't have that a sticker on here, so hold him on that case. No bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can I have the case number again? Correction.
Yes, please.
F2514219.
Thank you.
Okay. Probable cause is found. PD is appointed. $7,500 on count 1 and $7,500 on count 2. Thank you.
Oh, Your Honor, may the court interpreter be excused?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
No, I
Yes.
believe there's more Korea.
Mentor, I think, needs it.
Okay, no problem,
Okay.
no problem.
Oliver Lenz.
I'm
I know
gonna-
we have Ms. Ratson is on representing the victims.
Yes, I'm going to promote it, Ms. Ratson.
Put Mickey on, please.
And if we can inquire whether or not the defendant has money for an attorney.
Sure. Hello, Ms. Ratson. How are you?
Yes, I know. I still haven't figured out how to change my law partner's name on Zoom. Mickey Ratson on behalf of victims ML and PL. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good to see you.
Yeah, pleasure's mine. Where is Mr. Lenz? Mr. Lenz, do you have money to hire a lawyer, sir?
I have not hired a lawyer yet. I hope to hire one
You hope to hire one. When do you hope to hire one, sir?
as soon as the hearing is over.
Have you been speaking to lawyers?
No, I have not. I
You
just
have money
received
to hire a lawyer.
Yes,
Okay. What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm a physician.
You're a physician. Okay, and Ms. Ratson, what would you like?
Your
you'd like
Honor,
to-
it's my understanding that the state, I spoke to the prosecutor in this case, Ms. Wissett, and that they are filing a pretrial detention order. So I believe the charges themselves are a no bond charge and that the matter can be set before Judge Gamez for a bond hearing.
That's absolutely correct. And I've also have stay away orders from AY. Let me sign that one. Motion for pretrial detention pursuant to Florida Statute 907041 is granted.
Judge, he doesn't have counsel yet? Are
That's nice.
you going to ask him if he wants to have it reset for tomorrow so you can have private counsel present?
Dr. Lenz,
Yes, Your Honor.
would you like this to be reset for tomorrow, or what would you like to do, sir?
I would like to have counsel present. I don't know whether I can hire a counsel quickly enough.
No. When would you like it reset? Maybe Monday? Tomorrow? You tell me.
What day is today?
Today's Friday.
Today's Friday. Yeah, Monday should be okay. I hope my
Reset.
attorney- It's
Reset this in front of the division judge on Monday, please.
You want to do that unless you actually set a bond or sign the motion?
Does Your Honor want to grant the motion with leave for his attorney to readdress on Monday And he should
Perfect.
print for the division judge.
Thank you. I'll do that. I'm going to sign the pretrial detention motion with leave for his lawyer to make any objections the lawyer feels appropriate. And I'm holding him on the 2 cases, no bond.
Your Honor, just for the
Okay.
record, F25182220 has 2 counts, both no bond. And the
Yes.
warrant F25148755 has 5 counts, all no bond.
Yes.
Thank you.
And for the record, you're not appointing the Office of the Public Defender.
No. How many counts do we have for Dr. Lenz?
On F25148755, he has 5 counts.
Okay, do I have 14875 an A form on that? I just have the A form for 18220.
It should have been an arrest warrant.
There is an arrest warrant here.
That's for that case.
Okay, so where do I put all of the no bonds?
They didn't have the A form?
Just the arrest warrant.
I think this is it, yeah, because it doesn't have the case number, but this is the arrest report that goes with the arrest.
Okay. Got it. Ready, thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Tell everybody hello for me.
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
Dave Brown.
Mr. Brown is present.
Mr. Brown, there's a stay order from KB.
Putting the Office of the Public Defender, Your Honor.
Mr. Brown, can you afford a lawyer?
Yes, but I will have to call my family members. They can afford it for me.
They can?
Yes, they can.
Can you afford one?
Can you afford it though?
Me personally, I mean, with the warehouse job I got, not right now, but I'm with my brother and my mom for help. Yes, I can afford a lawyer less than a week.
Well, I'm going to appoint the public defender until you yourself can afford to hire a lawyer, or your family will hire a lawyer for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
This time we'll be invoking Mr. Brown's right to counsel and his right to remain silent.
Which means in fancy language, Mr. Brown, don't say a word.
Gotcha.
Okay, count 1 is no bond. Count 2 is
Use of a firearm during the commission of a felony.
right. What's the standard of that? 7,500, 10,000?
Standard 7,500.
What?
7,500.
Standard is 7,500.
Okay. 7,500. Grand theft is 2,500 and tampering with physical evidence is 2,500.
Not a grand theft, Judge.
Yes.
And I was gonna check. Hold on, people. Yes. So 2,500 as well. PC is found, PD is appointed. And I'm going to sign the motion for pretrial detention pursuant to Florida statute 907-041. For you. Oscar Sawyer.
Present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello, Mr. Sawyer.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing, more importantly? You're the one on the crutches.
Not so well.
Okay. Signing a stay away order for you to stay away from Family Dollar Store on Southwest 152nd Street. Also from Famous Footwear on Southwest 120th Street. Also from Kohl's. What does it say? For what? 4A forms. That's what that says. Okay. Okay, case number 8225. PC is found, PD is appointed. Let's see. $2,500 on count one. In that case. On case number 2518224. PC is found, PD is appointed. $2,500 on that case. On case 18223. PC is found, public defender is appointed. $2,500 on that case.
Judge, would you consider house arrest for these cases right now? Mr. Sawyer has a.
No, I wouldn't.
But he hasn't been able to work since
No.
the injury.
No, 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 no. Court finds probable cause. We don't have the stamp on this one, guys?
Counts 1 and 2 are duplicitous.
No, to do, but it's not. That is.
Okay, so there's 4 counts, correct?
There should be only 4.
There's 5 counts.
There's actually 5, but the first
Correct.
counts are the same exact
Right,
charge.
well, one is for the school, the other one is for a convenience store. I have no problem with your honor splitting the bond between counts 1 and 2.
Yeah, you said they're duplicitous?
So there's R or Morton Elementary School, and then there's the
It's duplicative, it's not duplicitous. Duplicitous is innate
somebody
evilness.
lying, being too.
Okay. Public defenders appointed. PC found. What does his prior record look like? Okay, 2,500 count 1, 2,500 count 2. 2,500 count 3. 500 count 4 and 500 count 5. Thank you. Leonard Anderson.
Mr. Anderson has a hold for immigration.
He is appointed. Probable cause is found. $10,000 bond account 1. 10,000 count 2.
There's a standard on count 2 is 2,500 and the
I
standard
know.
1 is 7,500.
I know. I'm looking at his priors.
No prior
I
record.
don't think he's got priors, Judge.
Am I looking at the wrong one?
Probably.
Babe, I totally apologize profusely.
Leonard Anderson. I don't see priors, but he's got the ice holds.
There's the ice hole. That's true. I apologize to everybody. It's my fault. Okay. So let's redo this, please. $2,500 count 1, 2,500 count 2. 2,500 count 3. And 500 count 4. Thank you, State. Thank you, PD. I really appreciate that. Jose Vasquez.
Mr.
He's
Vasquez,
a gentleman that has, oh my God.
he's on felony bond.
We're in Judge Dusen. On case 25-8543, hold him no bond on that case. And on these cases, on 25-18231, take a look at the A form. Okay. Court finds probable cause. PD's appointed. Bond is 5,000 on count 1, 2,500 count 2. Count 3 is 2,500, count 4 is 500. And on the second case, 18230, Public defenders appointed. Probable cause is found. $10,000, count one. $7,500, count two. 5,000s, count 3 and 4.
Count five,
Thank you.
count five, Judge.
5 counts on it. 2 counts of grand theft in the 3rd degree, 3 or 4 of grand theft in the 1st degree.
I keep forgetting to do the other page. And that would be 5,000. Yes.
3, 4, and 5 are 5,000.
3, 4, and 5 are 5,000, correct. Mario Haran.
Eric, corrections, please.
In a second. I'm kind of behind.
Okay, thank you. Check number 8.
Right behind. I haven't entered that one yet, did I?
Yes, no, count 2.
Hold on, let me see.
Okay.
I would ask for tap for Mr. Hearn. Head on.
State's issue judge, defendant's got an open misdemeanor as well as a 16-day sentence from earlier this month, also for theft.
Okay, let me tell you that according to the A form, he has an extensive criminal record to include conviction for homicide. I don't have that.
It's there, Judge. He did 25 years. He was sentenced in 1982.
The only record I have for him here is a one-pager that says not positively identified by final calendar cutoff.
So then, Judge, I can proffer. He was
Please.
sentenced to 25 years in prison in 1982. And then more recently, he's got a conviction for grand theft from August 1st. The defendant also has an open misdemeanor, it looks like, for camping on Miami Beach.
He sees public defenders appointed, bond $2,500. Johnson Diego.
Needs a Creole interpreter.
Oh man, we let her go, right? Oh no, Miss.
No, the interpreter is here.
Mr. Diego speaks English. There's another one, two after this.
Ian's mentor also needs the Creole interpreter.
So court's going to do TAP, PC, PD, TAP program alternate bond is 2,500.
2 counts, Judge.
Count 2.
Same thing.
No, Judge, count 2 is a misdemeanor. You want to do 2,500? Split it?
Yeah, I'll do 2,000 the first one, 500 on the second. Alternate bond.
Future court date?
We were doing September 22nd.
And do we have a courtroom number for Judge Wolfson?
Judge Wolfson.
Do we know what courtroom?
Nope. No clue.
Give me 1 sec, I'll get it for you.
I think it's on the second floor, but don't quote me on it.
2-5.
2-5, thank you.
Yep.
Fabian Diaz or Diz, D-I-Z. On your mother's birthday, you and your brother get into an altercation? How old is your mother?
He just turned 72
72.
and with dementia, but it's not the way the story sounds.
Sir, don't say any word. Your mother with dementia, 72 years old, has her sons fighting that escalates in the police being called. How sad. PD's appointed. Probable cause is found. There's a stay away order from your brother.
Can he return one time with the police to get his belongings?
Yes, of course. Where in the order does it say I can do that?
Let me see if I have a copy of one.
There it is. I already signed it. May return to the victim's home within 48 hours with the police. Okay. Pretrial services alternate is 5,000 with a stay away order. Hans Mentor.
I need a Creole interpreter, please.
Creole interpreter present. Franz Mentor.
Public defenders appointed. Probable cause is found.
Yo nomme un avocat la défense publique pour représenter. Yo jwenn bon jan raison pour arrestation.
5,000 on count 1, 2,500 count 2, count 3, and count 4, count 5, and count 6 will be 1,000.
Your Honor, 3, 4, 5 will be 2,500 as well?
Yes, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2,500. Count 6 is 1,000.
Yes, Your Honor. Alors, pour charge yo, condition et pour yo lage ou, caution, c'est pour premier charge là, $5,000, deuxième charge là, 2,500, troisième charge là, 2,500, quatrième charge là, 2,500, cinquième charge là, 2,500 et sixième charge là, $1,000.
Osmar Gordado?
Asmog Rado? Ah, that's another one.
Probable cause is found. Public defenders appointed.
On count 1.
What?
He may need, there's an issue on count 1. He may need the Spanish interpreter.
He does need the Spanish interpreter. I don't believe we need any more Creole. Is that correct? Corrections? No more Creole?
Don't think so, yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you.
Okay, the Creole will be excused. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a lovely weekend, Sandra. Thank you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye now. Okay.
On Mr.
So,
Bordado, I would ask that you find no probable cause for count 1, Judge.
La defensa está pidiendo que este juez falle que no hay bases legales para el cargo número 2.
Appears just to be a possession charge, Judge.
Debería ser solamente una acusación de tenencia.
No arguments. I don't see any criminal history, but I don't know how long the defendant's been in South Florida.
La fiscalía no tiene ningún argumento, no ve antecedentes penales, aunque no sabe cuánto tiempo lleva el acusado en Florida.
¿Cuánto tiempo está aquí?
3 años.
He's-
Casi 3 años.
3 años. He's been here 3 years, Judge. I would ask for pretrial services.
La defensa está solicitando los servicios de liberación sin costo alguno.
Dave, what's your response?
He's been here for 3 years with no priors. I think he should qualify for
Sí,
pretrial.
la respuesta de la fiscalía es que si lleva aquí 3 años y no tiene antecedentes penales, puede que califique para que lo saquen en libertad
No objections,
sin...
the ROR on 1.
ROR count 1, pretrial services alternate would be 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000.
Judge, I think you're
3
setting
and
it too
4
high.
misdemeanors.
En el cargo número 1 va a ser
I
libertad bajo
apologize.
palabra.
Count 2.
500 and 500.
Thank you.
So 5,000.
Cargo número 1, libertad bajo palabra. Cargo número
6,000
2 y
total.
número 3.
5,500, 500, okay.
Le da los servicios de liberación sin costo alguno. Como alternativa, si no calificara para ese programa, son $6,000 de fianza.
I'm also in PTS with drug help. I don't know if they do that. He may have a problem.
Con ayuda para droga, no sé si el programa PTS hace eso, pero creo que a lo mejor tenga algún problema de ese tipo.
Antoine Real Rodriguez, as opposed to fake Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez,
Spanish interpreter, please.
what
Señor
year,
Rodríguez,
what year is your Infinity?
¿de qué año es el Infinity de usted?
2010.
2010.
2010. Are you working right now, sir?
¿Usted trabaja ahora mismo, señor?
No, no.
No, I'm not.
Do you own any money? Do you have any money in the bank?
¿Tiene dinero en el banco?
Ahora mismo no.
Not right now.
How are you living?
¿Y cómo se sostiene?
Trabajando de mecánica.
Working mechanics.
What do you make when you work as a
¿Cuánto
mechanic?
gana cuando trabaja en mecánica?
No, hay veces, no sé, depende del trabajo que haga. No tengo título, pero sé algo.
It depends about whatever work I'm doing. I don't have any title or
Who do you live with?
but I know mechanics.
Who do
¿Con
you-
quién
who do you
vive usted?
live with?
Yo solo.
By myself.
How do you, if you're not working, how do you pay rent?
Pero si no trabajas, ¿cómo te pagas el alquiler?
Yo no vivo adentro del carro.
I live inside of the car.
Where is your mother and or father?
¿Y dónde está tu madre o tu padre?
Mi papá está en la casa y mi mamá también.
My mother is at home and so is my dad.
Do they not want you to live with them?
Ellos no quieren que usted viva con ellos.
No, soy yo.
No, it's me.
Why do you think they don't want you to live with them?
¿Por qué tú crees que ellos no quieren que tú vivas ahí con ellos?
No, yo soy que no quiero vivir con ellos.
No, it's me. It's I who doesn't want to live with them.
Why don't you? Rather live in a car than have a comfortable
Porque,
bed and bathroom and cook meals?
pero ¿por
What am I
qué?
missing?
No sé, aquí no me cuadra esto. ¿Cómo vas a preferir vivir ahí en un carro que estar en una casa, en una cama, con un baño, con quizá que te cocinen comida?
Es complicado.
It's complicated.
Well, I've got a few minutes. Tell me how it's so complicated.
Bueno, yo tengo tiempo, unos minutos. Cuéntame, ¿es complicado por qué?
Porque él solamente quiere que él quiere mandarme a mí y es que no puede ser porque yo tengo 20 años, ¿me entiendes? Y
Well, the only thing he wants to do is he wants to boss me around, and that can be because I'm 20 years old, you understand?
Did you graduate from high school?
Okay, ¿usted se ha graduado de high school?
no,
No.
Then maybe he should boss you around.
A lo mejor entonces es que quiere debería estar mandando en ti.
Have you ever been in jail before?
¿Has estado en la cárcel alguna vez anteriormente?
Nunca.
Never.
I want to ask him if he has a crystal meth habit, but I'm not his judge, so I'm not going to do that.
Debería preguntarle si tiene alguna adicción con crystal meth, pero bueno, como no soy su juez, no debería preguntarle.
Ms. Rodriguez, I can tell you you're screwing up your life.
Lo que sí le puedo decir, señor Rodríguez, es que te estás echando tu vida a perder.
You're 20 years old,
Tienes 20 años de edad,
living out of your car
viviendo en el carro,
with the allegation that you're using meth.
con unos alegatos de que estás utilizando crystal meth.
It's not exactly a prescription for a long and happy life.
Esta no es receta necesariamente para que vivas una larga vida feliz.
So that, of course, concerns me because I see a young man who's 20 years old who should be in college or should be in a trade school or could be working and beginning to get all the wonderful things that life has to offer.
Y eso es lo que a mí me preocupa, porque yo veo un joven de 20 años que debería estar en la universidad o en escuela de intercambio quizá, o viviendo una vida feliz haciendo todas las cosas maravillosas que una vida te puede ofrecer.
Which judge is this assigned to?
Vamos.
Judge Miranda.
Who is it?
Miranda.
Su caso va a estar asignado a la jueza Miranda.
I think this is really good for Judge Young. I'd love to have this case. I'd love to have to work with this young man, or Judge Verde in drug court.
Creo que este caso estaría muy bien con el juez Young, porque me gustaría ayudar con esto, o quizás con la jueza Verde que lleva la sala del Tribunal de Droga.
Can I transfer this to Judge Verde? Am I allowed to do that?
I think it has to be done later, Judge, but I think he would be a candidate for drug court. We typically don't do it straight from bond court.
Too bad.
La fiscalía dice que normalmente no se le manda directamente a ese Tribunal de la Droga, primero tiene que pasar por su jueza normal, pero quizás sea buen candidato para esa sala.
PD's appointed, bond is $2,500.
Ok,
no,
tienen,
I'm sorry.
Would you consider the TAP program?
No,
It would be able to get him into a drug referral and find a shelter bed for him.
I'm sure they could do that, but what I'd rather see happen to him, I'm spend a couple days in custody to teach this young man a lesson.
But he'll still stay a couple days in custody because TAP is gone. They won't be here till Monday. That'll definitely be.
I want him to be printing out in front of Judge Miranda on Monday morning with this strong suggestion from Judge David that they put him into drug court. If he's in custody and goes into drug court immediately, they will do all that for him on Tuesday morning. If he's out, he's not going to be in front of drug court for another 3 to 4 weeks, which would be to his detriment.
So you're setting this on calendar on the 25th?
Yes.
porque el juez está diciendo $22,500 de fianza. La defensa lo que está solicitando es que lo acepte en el programa TAP para que le mantengan limpio de droga y de paso le den refugio. El juez dice no, yo prefiero que se quede aquí 2 o 3 días hasta el lunes. El lunes lo ponen con la jueza Miranda porque para esos 2 días quizá para recapacitar. Y de paso, si ese mismo día lo pueden referir al Tribunal de la Droga, el mismo martes puede estar en el calendario del Tribunal de la Droga. Si está fuera, tiene que esperar 3 o 4 semanas y sería muy dañino para él que esté 3 o 4 semanas esperando el Tribunal de la Droga.
I wrote on the 8 form, tell your PDs, please, and your state attorneys, not division, to please consider sending him to drug court ASAP.
Yo he escrito aquí en el informe de arresto y espero que lo vean los abogados de oficio, que lo refieran lo antes posible a esa sala especial para casos de droga.
Issue. You'll be out of here in 10 minutes. Kevin Williams.
Bond out, Your Honor.
Jonathan Ledesma.
Refuse.
It's an added charge? Yeah, it's an added charge, I think.
I'll waive his presence. This looks like mutual combat. I'd ask for $1. They were both arrested.
Yep, the victim's the next guy on calendar, $1 fine.
Again, this wasn't stamped either.
I'm gonna have suspicions.
Okay. PD, PC, $1 bond. Okay, thank you. And Joseph Betancourt, same thing.
Refused, Your Honor.
Waive his presence,
Yes.
$1 bond. And last but not least, for us to begin our weekend, Timmy Williams.
Refused, Your Honor.
Judge Week and waive his presence.
$500 bond. PC and the PD.
Judge, I don't know if the new class of ASAs is watching, if they want to say hello, if they're here.
I don't know, are
They
they
may have
watching?
logged
But
off.
before we finish, I have one more
No,
case I want to
maybe-
have the court address if we could. real
Sorry, I
fast.
think they may have logged off, boring them.
Yes, ma'am, what do you have?
So there's a case on calendar this morning, was Jamel Anderson -Cash, F25
Give me the case number, Corey.
F25 18153. It's a battery on a detainee, and he was granted a $1,500 bond. What we were not aware of is that he was granted house arrest, level 2 on his pending felony, and he was about to be released today to house arrest, but this other case popped up, so he was not able to. I'm just asking if we can do house arrest level 2 as an alternate to the battery on a detainee, so it doesn't hold him up.
We don't have an A form here. I see you're sharing it.
Right, I'm just showing Your Honor the A form.
I need the original. I don't have no problem doing it if we have the original A form.
In a moment, I can go upstairs and grab everything, Your Honor, if they could, probably just the courthouse.
Okay. PD, in the future, please let us know ahead of time.
I emailed the clerk, but I didn't hear back.
Emailing is nice, but sometimes when the clerk is here, say, excuse me, Mr. Clerk. Where's our assistant state attorneys or young kids?
Young kid.
I don't know if they're here, Judge. I think maybe we're boring them. They logged off. Or maybe they want to Judge Glazer.
Your Honor, so are we addressing this case that Ms. Corey would like to address?
Yes, we are. We are.
Thank you.
So
Does your client speak English?
I think,
Ms.
Ms.
Corey?
Corey, you just want the jail card annotated, right?
yeah, we have the jail card. If we could just do an alternate house arrest level 2, that's what he has on his pending felony. And that
So-
way he could be released to house arrest level 2 for both of his cases.
So we don't need Maria here, our interpreter.
No.
Okay, Maria, have a nice weekend. Thank you.
Your Honor, so that case is going to be house arrest
You too,
alternate.
thank you.
So would that be house arrest level 2 alternate bond 1,500?
Any objection to that?
I think it's okay. I don't have his criminal history. I don't know what he's going out on house arrest on for that other case.
The other case is an armed robbery with a firearm or deadly weapon. He was granted house arrest, alternate no bond by Judge Brinkley on the 20th.
I don't know if Your Honor wants this to put a hold on it.
I can't, you cut out.
Alternate no bond, but didn't know about this new case. We could maybe have it print on Monday so she can decide whether or not she wants to include it. Because the other case seems like a serious charge.
Yeah, but the new case is a simple battery by detainee. Which gets filed by your office about 50% of the time? 40%, 30, do I hear 20?
Probably less.
Yeah.
Judge.
And that causes all types of problems with the public defender's office, because then they have to conflict, and then
But
regional
you know, if
counsel.
the jail has to arrest these people when they commit a crime at the jail, I think we have no choice.
I know. I'm not saying not to file things. I'm just saying that's always, it causes problems.
Yeah, we're not to, I think we have to make the arrest if a crime happens at the jail.
Right.
Somebody
Oh,
has-
absolutely.
But I understand that a lot of them don't get filed.
Yeah. I mean, if the condition of the jail were like the Four Seasons, then we wouldn't have these problems, I don't think, do you? Okay, so for $20 million, what did they call TGK when it first opened? What was the slang for it?
I have no idea. And I was here when it,
They used to call it the Hilton.
oh, compared to the,
Compared to the others. This is back before you guys were even in law school, I suspect. I've been here for a while.
I'm gonna thank you for saying that.
Right, Miss Corey just looks really young.
I love you.
Oh, thank you. You have to fight.
You're my new favorite judge.
Aw. You have to fight Ashley Ludwig for that, though, because she takes me very seriously. So Univision is still on, and
So Judge, are you gonna do it? The house arrest?
yeah.
Okay.
House arrest with an alternate bond of 1,500, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Eric Rodriguez, WIOD.
Great, Judge.
There used to
I
be a
think we're
time when
done.
what?
Have a good weekend. I think we're done.
We are done. I just want to need to
Have a
do
good
that on the
weekend.
record.
Bye, Miss Corey. See you Monday.
Thank you.
What?
Have a wonderful weekend.
Eric, you call corrections?
Eric is not here. Eric is getting the file for you. Miss
Okay.
Corey. There he
Okay.
is. You're amazing, man. Do you want to replace Chris when he retires in my division?
I need to get to Ocala.
Don't do that. Don't.
Why would you want to do that for? You into horses? Be careful what you ask for. Be very careful. Okay, so Mindy said 1,500, so I'm gonna do house arrest. Alternate is 1,500. Agreed. Okay, all done.
Thank
We're
you, Judge.
finished.
Take
Thanks,
care.
everybody. Have a good weekend.
You too.
What?
Level 2?
Is it level 2, Ms. Corey?
Yes.
Yeah. Got it. Remember when IOD used to do the Dolphin games?
Yep.
Hank Goldberg, Jim Mandich.
Eric, number 11, place the hold, please.
Number 11.
Yes, thank you.
You're going, right?
You're the best.
Okay.
What? Can I get off? Okay, I see. She didn't write it on the calendar.